a housewife, he has opened a saving bank account under OP number 3 and 4.
So why have you made Union of India as a party?
Not because under the Indian Post Payment Bank is coming under the.
This is under Indian Post.
Yes, sir. For that reason I made him. And
Oh.
here she has opened a saving bank account. When she found that message come to her mobile that her bank account has been seized, freeze. They give the message. Thereafter,
Why? Why the bank account?
No reason. That is kindly have a glance to page.
You take instruction.
My lord.
On concept of the Union of India,
I
you take
have
instruction
taken-
as to why. Okay, Anand instruction.
Again.
I don't know what is the issue.
Again.
Kahinki.
ନାଇଁ ଆମେ ଆପ୍କେ ଏଥିରେ ମଗେଇକି ଗୋଟେ ଆମେଣ୍ଡମେଣ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛୁ ସେ ଯୋଉ ବାଙ୍ଗାଲୋରରେ ଗୋଟେ ସାଇବର କ୍ରାଇମ ପିଏସ୍ ବାଲା ସେ ଜଣେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ କଲାରୁ ଆମର ଗୋଟେ 4,300 କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ସେଇଟା ଫ୍ରଡ ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜାକ୍ସନ ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି ସେଇ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡରେ ସେ ସିଜ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି
4,300 rupees.
ୟେସ୍ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଣ୍ଟାୟାର ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟଟାକୁ ସିଜ୍
ତ
କରିଛନ୍ତି
କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଆଇଏ ଆମେଣ୍ଡମେଣ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଏଟା କୋଉଠି ଜାଣିଲେ?
ସେଇଟା ଆକ୍ଟରେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରୁ ମଗେଇଲି
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରୁ
ସେମାନେ ଡିଟେଲ୍ସ ଦେଲେ
ଏ ପୋଷ୍ଟାଲ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
ପୋଷ୍ଟାଲ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
ତ ସେତିକି ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଛାଡିକି ତ ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ
Yes.
କେତେଟା ଯିବ ଏତେ କଥା?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
The amount involved is 4,000. What instruction is unnecessary? ମୁଁ ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କରୁଛି unnecessary ତାକୁ instruction ନେଇକି ମାସେ ଚଲେଇଲେ କଣଟା ହବ?
My lord, only short adjournment 1 week after my.
What I am saying, see, only 4,300 rupees is the involvement, right? If suppose he is involved in that
My
also.
lord,
That amount,
not mentioned in a read.
But he has got that in
400 rupees
ନାଇଁ,
is
ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ
involvement.
your bank.
ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜାକ୍ସନ ରେ ଦେଇଛି
Wait,
ଆମେଣ୍ଡମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ବି ଦେଇଛି
what
ପେଜ
is-
17
No, what is the document?
ପେଜ 17 ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଇଏ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି ଆମେଣ୍ଡମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି
I asked him.
ଆଇଏ 9857/2020
I asked him. Let him take instruction.
Yes,
Aye.
sir.
short date में भी
Petitioner
आइए को
issue notice to Union of India. This is the matter of on 23rd. 23rd.
Yes,
Take
sir.
take instruction on 23rd.
Our absence will not, sir. PK Padi along with DSGI.
Okay. ଆପଣ ତ ଜଣେ ଅଛେ ସମସ୍ତେ along with DSGI କଣ ପାଇଁ ଲେଖା ହେବ ସାର୍?
Sir,
କଣ ପାଇଁ? DSGI ସବୁବେଳେ ଲେଖା ଯାଏନି ଆମେ ବି ମୁଁ ବି ୟୁନିୟନ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର କାଟୁଥିଲି ଯୋଉଠି ଯିଏ ଏଫଆଇଆର କରିବ ତା ନାଁ ଲେଖା ହେବ ଯଦି DSGI ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଆପଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଲେଖା ହେବ ସବୁଠି DSGI
online ଥିଲା।
ଅନଲାଇନ ଥାଆନ୍ତୁ
ଥିଲା,
ନଥାନ୍ତୁ
ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହିଲି।
ଆପଣ ଯେହେତୁ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଜାଣେଇବେ DSGI କୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏଫଆଇଆର କରିବେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଜାଣିବି ସବୁଠି ଏମିତି ହୁଏ ରଙ୍ଗ DSGI ଯଦି ସିନିୟର ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ଡେଜିଗ୍ନେଟେଡ ସିନିୟର ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ଏକା ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଜାଣନ୍ତାନି ଜଣେ ଜୁନିୟରଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଜାଣନ୍ତି ଯେହେତୁ ଡେଜିଗ୍ନେଟେଡ ସିନିୟର ନାହିଁ ତେଣୁ ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏଫଆଇଆର କରିବେ ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଆସିବ ନହେଲେ ଆସିବନି ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ଦ ରୁଲ ଆସ୍ ଏନିବଡି କାହାକୁ ବି ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ ସିନିୟର ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ମାନେ ଏକା ଏଫଆଇଆର କରିପାରିବେନି ଜୁନିୟର ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଏଫଆଇଆର କରନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଯୋଡା ଯାଏ
ହେଲା।
ଆପଣ ଉଲ୍ଟା ଯେ ହେଲେ ବି ଯୋଡି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଏମିତି ଥୋଡି ହୁଏ ମାନେ ଡବଲ ବିଲ୍ ଆସିକି ସେମିତି ଆସିଛି ଡବଲ ବିଲ୍
ଆମର
wrong how can double bill ଗୋଟେ ଜଣଙ୍କର ବିଲ୍ ମିଳିବ ଦୁଇଟା ବିଲ୍ କେମିତି ରେଜ କରିବି ଆପଣ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ ଜଣେ କରିବେ ବିଲ୍
କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଫାଉଣ୍ଟର ଆମେ ଦଉଛୁ ତ ସେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ତ ଆମେ ଦବୁ ନା କାଉଣ୍ଟର ପାଇଁ
ଦେଲେ କଣ ହେଲା ଜଣେ ତ ଜଣକୁ ମିଳିବ
ନା, ସେମାନେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଦିଅନ୍ତି ନା DSGI କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଦିଅନ୍ତି ନା
ତ ଫିର ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ କଣ ଦରକାର
ଆଉ ନହେଲେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଟା କେମିତି ଦିଅନ୍ତି?
ऐसे थोड़ी होता I was also there at your site ମୁଁ ବି ୟୁନିୟନ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ପାଇଁ 5 ବର୍ଷ ଆଇପିଏଲ କରିଛି next
All right.
Item number, may I please lordship? Here the petitioner is the former employee of a bank. He availed a loan to the tune of
item 2
2. Former employee of a bank, Union Bank, he availed a loan, home loan. Loan amount was fully recovered. Still, I am not getting my loan documents.
क्या हुआ सर
Let them sort the copy of
okay Lord Constable the bank which is Tuna South waves of notice on behalf of the opposite party bank and a copy may be served on concept of the bank to take instruction.
Public.
ಯಾಶ್ವಿತ ಊಟೆ ರೇಟ್ ಪಿಡ್ಸಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ
Please,
WBC number
let the matter be
20431
listed along with
20431 20,431/2024
List the matter on 26. Next.
Item 3,
For disposal of influence case, connected matter is posted to 5 minutes.
Which case?
For disposal of influence case by Tahsildar, other 3 connected matters of the same petitioners is posted to 5 minutes for instruction of the. 5 minutes.
ठीक है. You should notice. Copy them.
Okay.
Next.
item 4,
Same लोक same लोक ना अलगा लोक
Same look.
500 rupees फाइन पड़िबो जार हला 500 रुपीस दे देबे आज आपनकर बैंक वाला भी छड़ा जिवे एथरे बैठ देबे बैठ कहि दोछि ना 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 देबा को तो पड़े आउट देबे देबा को तो पड़े देबा को पड़े
Serial number 3, same locone. What has happened, your lordship? The petitioner has approached this.
Petitioners, only.
Let me clarify. The petitioner has approached this honorable court for initiation of the encroachment proceeding against 3 of the encroachers.
ओ ई लोगडा
Petitioner has approached this honorable.
ई लोगडा जो मुंडा विधा लोग
My lord.
ओ अच्छा आपण
Then the honorable court has.
एका संग आस
Again.
petitioner is मुंडा विधा लिखि दे से next
regarding
Next.
item number 4, my lord, in compliance to the issuance of the last notice served on 2/3/2005 in a encroachment of 207/3, encroacher appear on the same date to
आपण के
one of the villagers.
वन ऑफ द
Complex
विलेजर्स
person.
मुंडा विधा गला तो आपण भी मुंडा विधा कैटेगरी
Only
So-
5 PC.
केबे अछि माइंड एटा माने फर्स्ट टाइम अछि हां कोन है जी
That means he has been, the land has been encroached by the petitioner.
which land is it road or something
No.
what
Only
which
5
land?
decimil,
Huh?
only 5 decimil बस्ती योग्य land. Yes.
अरे बाबा किसी लैंड टा आपण को कोन असुविधा है वो पचरची what is the problem you are facing because of the land acquisition suppose your house there is some
The petitioner is the encroacher.
approaching road asila approaching road अटकी गला आपण जाई पातना
The petitioner is the encroacher.
Yes.
you are the encroacher
He has been noticed, yes.
तो notice the reply
In a co-op form noticed.
Huh?
In a co-op form number co-op.
by the
By
tahsildar
the Tahsildar.
the appear you go notice तो देछन आपण शोकज देछन ना शोकज reply दियंतु
Shokaj has been filed.
शोकज reply
Replied, yes. He
Ah.
replied to Shokaj. In his reply,
you file the shokaj reply
he replied the Shokaj, yes. To the
Ah,
Shokaj, yes.
then
And in his reply, he requested the Tahsildar for recording the same in his name, since he has been living, his
Yeah,
father has been living in the.
to
same
settle
plot of-
in his name
That
yeah,
is his,
adivasi
Oh, Adivasi.
rank encroacher the rank 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 encroacher so you approach the tahsildar for settlement petitioner
he has to approach as per section 8A with
Section
the
8A.
specific form, my lord.
dispose of next and till that matter is taken up by the person there shall be no opportunity hala only till the tahsildar takes the matter tahsildar जो दिन matter take होवे से दिन मोर order inoperative ही जीव मान रख बाकी तहसीलदार बुझिबो ताको एक्सटेंशन देबो न देबो से दिन डिसाइड करियो इट इज अप टू हिम हला बिकॉज़ अथॉरिटी पावर अछि से पावर को काटी के हाई कोर्ट सब पावर नै जो लेकिन दियो the authority kai create कराइछ right next
Item 5.
Here also the petitioner is a lady, encroach government land, annexure 2, file for settlement,
settle yes, file for settlement
annexure 2.
except to the petitioner has filed under section
This is,
8A
yes,
for settlement before the tahsildar
Tahsildar, Dhenkanal Sadar, OP number 2.
Dhenkanal Sadar tahsildar Dhenkanal OP number
2.
2. The OP number 2 shall dispose of the said application.
He has only approached in the month of July, my lord.
ठीक है,
June.
Sorry, June.
ठीक है जी, within a month from the date of presentation of the order. खत्म. Until
My lord,
the
because some inquiry is required, your lordship may grant some more time, my lord.
what
Because
time? How much time inquiry?
minimum 2 months, my lord. Because he has approached in the month of June only.
अच्छा मुझे गोटे कथा कहलु गोटे तहसीलदार पाखरे एवरेज केते केस थाय मासकरे एंते केस रफली केते थी
एमितिया केस अलगा सब मिसी गला
कहूची रफली एंते केस केते थी how busy the tahsildar will be.
No, not in these type of cases. There are other things has to be also the mutation cases and other thing has to be looked at.
2 months. 2 months to dispose of them within 2 months from the date of presentation of the order. Till the matter is taken up by the tahsildar, there shall not be any coercive action. Next.
Item 6.
But there are some stations where tahsildar are not so busy. There are some stations they are very busy.
My lord.
And all stations are not equally busy.
My lord, ढेंकानाल-
Katak tahsildar jeti busy thibo kono Malkangiri tahsildar ate busy.
No, man. Your lordship is absolute. But here is the case of the Sadar ढेंकानाल. So it is.
ठीक है जी, I understand.
My-
Next.
Well, may I please, Your Lordship? My lord, this is a outstanding, my lord, 61,690. Your lordship, I have.
Sorry.
61,910, my lord, I will approach to the bank to refresh that loan.
61,000.
1,000 loan.
61,000. What is the?
I will approach to the bank.
Sir, ठीक है तो कथा.
आगे.
ମୁଁ ତ କିଛି ପଚାରୁଛି ଆନ୍ସର
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ଦେବେ ପାସ୍ କାଇଁ ଆଇଲେ ତାହେଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ଏପରି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କରିବ ଥିଲା ପଚାରୁଛି ମାନେ what kind of loan you have
This
taken?
is a business loan, my lord, 49 lakhs, 39,000, 2040.
49 lakh.
But I have paid regularly.
अरे सर ଟିକେ ତ ଆପଣ ତରବର କାଇଁ ହଉଛନ୍ତି
My lord.
ମୁଁ ପଳଉନି ଅଛି ଏଠି ମୁଁ ପଚାରି 49 ଲାख ନେଲେ ବିଜନେସ ଲୋନ ବିଜନେସ ଲୋନ ବୋଲି ଏମିତି ମାନେ କୋଉ କୋଉ ଟାଇପ ର ଲୋନ
It is, sir,
ସିଟି ଲୋନ କି କଣ କି ଟାଇପ
it is a type of actually overdraft, my lord.
ହଁ ସେ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେଟା ବିଜନେସ
ନାଇଁ,
ଲୋନ
type of
ବିଜନେସ ଲୋନ
like-
ଗୋଟେ ଥାଏ ଏମିତି କିଛି
Overdraft.
ପର୍ପସ ମେ ବି ବିଜନେସ
Purpose.
ବଟ ଓଭରଡ୍ରାଫ୍ଟ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେଟା
ନାଇଁ।
ଓଭରଡ୍ରାଫ୍ଟ ତାପରେ
I have regularly 2022, 23, 24,
କେତେ ନାଉ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଇଜ ଦ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଟୋଟାଲ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ କେତେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି
that 61,910.
1000 କି ଲାख
No, 61,000, my lord.
Only?
No, thereafter, your lordship, his demand notice is 50 lakhs.
ଭଗବାନ ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ମତେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ,
ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଲି କେତେ ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ 61,000
No,
କହୁଛନ୍ତି
no,
ଆପଣ।
61,000.
ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ସବୁ ଦେଇଦେଲି ମାତ୍ର
No,
61
no,
କାଇଁ
no,
ଅଟକୁଛି
no,
ମୁଁ
no,
ଭାବୁଛି
50 lakhs.
ଆଉ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ ପାଇଁ
Total amount of 50 lakhs.
କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କରିବି
No, no, 50 lakhs.
ଟୋଟାଲ ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଇଜ 50 ଲାખ
50 lakhs.
ହଁ
ମୁଁ sir approach କରିବି bank କୁ sir.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କରିବେ ଲେଟ୍ ମି ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଦି
ନାଇଁ।
ସବୁ ଯଦି ଆପଣ କରିବେ କାଇଁ ଏଠିକି
ନାଇଁ,
ଆସିବେ
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ।
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କକୁ ଗଲେନି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କକୁ ଯାଅ ଆଉ ଶୁଣିବିନି
କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ବିଲକୁଲ
Sir, କରୁ-
ପିଟିସନର ଟୁ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ ଦ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
Sir,
within 1 week and the bank shall consider his request for refacement of the loan account ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କିଛି ଶୁଣିବିନି ନାଇଁ ବିଲକୁଲ ତ ଶୁଣିବିନି ଆଉ ହେଇଗଲା unnecessary ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଠି ସଲ୍ଭ କରିବାକୁ ମୁଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛି ଆପଣ ଏତେ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତି ଓଭର ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ସବୁ ତ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସେଠି ଆଉ ବିଲକୁଲ ଆଉ ଶୁଣିବିନି
60 days time period has been given.
32 notice ଆଇଲାଣି ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ତ ଶୁଣିବିନି ଏକା 32 since the matter has reached to the stage of surface notification under section 13(2)
Yes.
this court is disempowered to hear the matter.
However, your lordship.
Yes, how?
However, your lordship direct
Ah,
approach.
This court cannot hear the matter.
Approach to
Let the matter be placed before the appropriate bench.
division bench.
ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି ଆହୁରି
ତ ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା।
ଏଠି ନହେଲେ ସେଠି ଯିବ
Sir,
ସେଠି ଆଉ କିଛି ମିଳିବନି ସେଠି
ସେଠି
ଯାହା ପାଇବେ ପାଇବେ
ସେଠି
ସେଠି
sir
କିଛି
ସବୁ ଦବାକୁ ପଡିବ।
ପାଇବେନି। ଦେବେ ତ ଆଉ
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଦଉଛି, sir।
ଆପଣ ଅଧିକ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ହେଲେ
ଏଠି ବି
କଣ
sir ଦଉଛି।
ମତେ ଯଦି କହିଥାନ୍ତେ 13(2) କଥା ଉଠି ନଥାନ୍ତା ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏତେ ଦିନ ମୁଁ ଏବେ
ମୁଁ
ଏବେ
sir
ରିଫ୍ରେଜ ଏଠି
ଏଇଟା
କରିଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି
sir ରାଜି ଅଛି।
ଆପଣ କହିଲେନି
ନା ମୁଁ ତ କହୁଛି sir approach କରିବି ଦେବି ବୋଲି।
କେବେ
ମୁଁ sir ଦେବି within
बैंक जदि राजी हेबो 13-2 हेतु जाहे तो
हाँ,
4 कहबा
30 days time period is still available.
अवेलेबल अछि सर 37
सातरे notice
27 नोटिस में आपको
चांस ना फिर
मु सेया सर
Not
कहूची आपण
completely premature मिलो ठीक
ए,
है
की प्रीमा
ठीक है मो पाकर तो नहीं मो प्रीमेच्योर है मो तो मेंटेनेबल नहीं गला खत्म
मेंटेनेबल however it will
However,
approach to the bank your lordship is there my lord one line
सुनी भी नहीं how
one line your lordship it will be
No, however.
suffice my lord
however jurisprudence is not available here.
your dictionary your lordship
Next,
dictionary is there my lord
No discretion. Next item.
your lordship
7.
7.
my lord this is a vehicle loan my lord
Which vehicle?
my lord this is a truck my lord
Truck.
Truck.
So what is the total pendency?
total pendency sir
Kete outstanding, not pendency, outstanding.
outstanding से तो सर कहउचंती 5 लाख केते 5 लाख आउटस्टैंडिंग कहउचन मु 12 लाख सर नेइथली 68000 12 लाख 36
को truck 12 लाख मिलुଛି
टोटल
गाड़ी मिलुनी 12 लाख truck कोड.
सर एटा रिफाइनेंस नेइथली
हां?
फाइनेंस अमाउंट ने रिफाइनेंस करथिली गाडीटा
Refinance माने?
किछि अमाउंट से रिफाइनेंस करथिली 12 लाख 68000
Refinance कौन थी तक?
रिफाइनेंस सर ओटा सेकंड हैंड व्हीकल को रिफाइनेंस कर परु
Refinance काई कोची?
हां सर
Why refinance what is it?
सर सेटा
Tell me why refinance what is it?
सेकंड हैंड व्हीकल को रिफाइनेंस करिया को हेले
सुनता कौन दिन का? Refinance word is not utilized for it. Mr. Mahapatra, what is the right word? Second hand vehicle के लिए refinance हो, finance तो हो, finance हो, refinance को में हो.
मु सर
Refinance कोडी को आ जाए, कोडे को refinance को आ जाए. What is refinance?
आउथरे तेरे
I जाएगी check करो refinance word. Don't use the wrong word.
राइट
Banking के इधर proper word.
इतरे सर इंडोसिन बैंक मु सर रामचंद्र पानीगाई कॉपीटा
Copy दियो तू.
से का आसीना दिबो दे सर
Copy टे खोज के दियो तू तंगोर number ने तू.
हां आगे मु देई दू सर सॉल्व कर दे अपन सर कॉपी सर नहीं
Give a copy.
आगे
List the matter on 24th. Copy दिला पर आसियो. Next.
Item 8.
May I please, Your Lordship? And in this case, petitioners being the wife and minor children of late Tapan Kumar Mahanti, who is a account holder of the State Bank Bidanasi branch, my lord. He was working as a constable, my lord, under Odisha police. Died in the road traffic accident, my lord. He is entitled for compensation under insurance compensation under police salary package insurance scheme. He is entitled for 5 lakhs, my lord. I have filed the same annexure 1, my lord. As per the RTI information. My lord?
What is your grievance?
Grievance, my lord, when I have approached for the share, their share, the being the wife and minor children, they refuse to accept their prayer because prior to the marriage, his wife, his father was his nominee in the account. So they refuse to accept their being the legal heir and minor 2 children, my lord, 4 years and 1 year. So my prayer is, my lord, same may kindly disburse equal on equal proportionate below in legal heirs, my lord. I have filed the legal heir certificate.
What the legal heir?
My lord, wife, 2 children and father, mother, my lord.
Father. ठीक है, no problem. ठीक है, sir. Give a copy.
I'll
I'll ask the bank to take instruction, list the matter on Friday. Friday.
I'll inform.
Sir, ठीक है, बुझिबा में केते समय लागिबो? अरे जणको पैसा दरकार अछि आपण
कौन होची आंकर branch is not the authority to decide all this.
जोर रहला आपण केते समय लागिबो इंस्ट्रक्शन
RBO तंगनो अछि regional office सेटो
एला रीजनल ऑफिस को एठी तो
मंडे आसो
ये आसपास तो थिबो कटक पुलिस फिर आपण इंडिया केस में should solve.
नहीं I will definitely do.
That's why I'm giving you Friday. You are getting 5 days time. 5 days, including Friday.
Monday.
Monday नहीं इंडिया केस क्विकली करी
नहीं क्विकली आबो मंडे सी आगे
आप
देबे
इंस्ट्रक्शन आनो तुम
तो नहीं एकड़ी से देबे
In course of within an hour, I will solve.
give a copy immediately.
Within an hour, my lord.
It's not to serve a copy on Mr. Gurdat Kaur, who usually appears on behalf of the State Bank of India, and list the matter on 6th. Take instruction.
My direction may kindly be not to disburse the same.
They pay it.
Kindly.
The amount kept in the
May other disburse for the
SBI account.
SBI, man.
SBI account of the deceased shall not be disbursed on anybody.
After is the nominee as he is telling.
किसी का था नहीं nominee था वो the wife and children are also there in the company. Father is any working man or something?
ma'am.
He's getting some pension? No.
No, no, मतलब pension भी
He
अपन तो
also
है ही नहीं ma'am.
dependent, dependent father. So some of the 5% will equally divided. Hello? Next.
Item 9.
9.
It's a demolition matter.
Where is the-
Annexure 3 is the impugned order, my lord, impugned
what is
notice,
the demolition? Where is the demolition?
my lord.
Where is the demolition, sir?
Page
BDA.
11, your lordship may kindly see,
BDA.
my lord.
BDA.
BDA. Bhubaneswar Municipality Corporation, my
ना
lord.
बुझिगली
BMC.
BMC ଆଉ BDA BMC
ମୋ ଜାଗା ଉପରେ ମୁଁ ଘର କରିଛି ଖାଲି ଆଜବେଷ୍ଟର ସେଟ୍ ସେଟା ମୋ ଜାଗା ଉପରେ ମୁଁ କରିଛି ମିଛରେ ସେମାନେ କିଏ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ କରିଲା ବୋଲି ଆସି ଭାଙ୍ଗିବାକୁ ଦିଥର ନୋଟିସ କଲେଣି
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଜାଗାରେ କଣ କାଇଁ
ମୋ ଜାଗା ଉପରେ
କାଇଁ ଭାଙ୍ଗିବି ସାର୍
ହଁ ସେଇ ସକାଶେ ମୁଁ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ
କହୁଛି ଅଛି
ଜାଗାରେ କାଇଁ ଭାଙ୍ଗିବି
ମୋ ଜାଗା ଉପରେ ଅମିନ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଅଲସୋ ଇନ୍ ମାଇ ଫେଭର ଆଇ ହାଭ ଆଭଏଡ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଆଭରମେଣ୍ଟ ଇଜ ଦେୟାର ଇନ୍ ମାଇ ରିଟ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ଦେନ୍ ଦିଥର ଆସିକି ଆନାଉନ୍ସ କରିସାରିଲେଣି ଆପଣ ୟାକୁ ଏନକ୍ରୋଚମେଣ୍ଟ ହଟାନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଦେବୁ Against that, I have preferred an appeal which is pending.
ବିନା ମାଡିକିରି କିଏ କାହାକୁ ଭାଙ୍ଗି
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ମାନେ
ସିଡିଏ କୁ ଦେଖି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଯାହାକୁ ଦେଖ 5 ଫୁଟ ଆଗକୁ ପଳେଇଛି ଆଗ ତ ସିଡିଏ ରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା କଥା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଧା ଲୟର ଘର ଉଡିଯିବ
Annexure 4 is pending. Till disposal of the appeal, my lord.
Submit that the appeal being UPA number 47 of 2022. No, appeal number 1 of 2023 dated.
My lord, that is 24. সেটা wrongly type ହେଇଛି କାରଣ order ହେଲା December ରେ ଏଟା କିନ୍ତୁ 23 এটা
Appeal number 1
24
of 2024 ठीक correction कर दो
ହଁ ମୁଁ ଏଲେ କରିଦେବି
dated ପୁଣି ଛାଡି ଦେଇଛି date ଟା ଛାଡି ଦେଇଛି date କେତେ
ଡେଟେଡ୍ 5/1/24
5/2024 ସେଟା ବି ଠିକ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏ ଦେଇ ଦିଅ ଏବେ correction कर दियो ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ correction ଏବେ କରନ୍ତୁ
my lord just now I'll correct it
Online file.
online ई तो problem
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କରିଦେବି ନହେଲେ ମୁଁ ହଇରାଣ ହେବି
correction କରିକି ଆଉ ଆଉଥରେ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ରିଫାଇଲିଂ ରେକ୍ଟିଫାଇ କରି କରନ୍ତୁ ଏ ତ ଭୁଲ ଭାଲ କଲା ହବ ଆପଣ ତରବର କେହି ହୁଅନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ,
ଏଠି
ଏଇଟା-
ବେସିକ ଜିନିଷ ଭୁଲ ଭାଲ କଲେ
ଏଇ
କେମିତି
23ଟା ମତେ 24ଟାକୁ ଭୁଲ ଟାଇପ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଖାଲି 3ଟା କାଟିକି 4ଟା
କରିବେ ନା
I will make the correction in court, my lord.
ଇନ କୋର୍ଟ ହବନି ଅନଲାଇନ ହେଇଛି ପୁରା
appeal petition ଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିରେ ବି ତ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଅଛି
ହଁ ସେଇ ପରା
ସେଠି
appeal
correction
moment ଟା
କରିବାକୁ
ସେଥିରେ କରେକ୍ସନ କଲା ପରେ
ଗଡ଼ବଡ଼
ଆପଣ
ହବ।
କରେକ୍ସନ
ଆପଣ ସେଠି ବି ଗଡ଼ବଡ଼ ହେବ anyway 2024 land council petition submit the लिख दिया मैं ये जाने an appeal has been filed bearing appeal number 1 of 2024 dated 5/1/2024 before the appellate authority and HNUD department government of Odisha at Bhubaneswar and this said appeal is still pending before the appellate authority and you have been given notice.
Yes, my lord.
What is the notice?
My lord, this is appeal memo, my appeal memo.
What is the notice?
My lord, no notice they have issued, but
ଆପଣ ବିନା
Yes.
notice ରେ ପଳାଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କହିବେ ତାର ମାଇକ ରେ କହୁଥିଲେ ବୋଲି କହିବେ
My lord.
ନେକ୍ସଟ ହଁ କହିବେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ମାଇକ ରେ କହିବେ ନୋଟିସ ନଥିଲେ ସମସ୍ତେ ସେୟା
that my lord may kindly see my miscase, paragraph 2 of my miscase.
ଆପଣ ବିନା notice ରେ ଆଇଛନ୍ତି
My lord, yes.
the petitioner
My lord, that
petitioner doesn't have any cause of action.
my lord, I am reading one paragraph. If your lordship is not satisfied,
document देखिए
my lord, challenging the illegal arbitrary order for demolition during pendency of the said appeal, the enforcement squad of BMC have come to the house of the petitioner. My lord, I have given the date.
Sir, appeal be disposed of within a period of 3 months from the date of presentation of the order. In the meantime, there shall not be any coercive action till the matter is taken up by the appellate authority.
Right.
Till the matter is taken up, nothing more than that. And 3 months is the khatam kar. Next.
Item 10.
Then.
Lord, when I could not operate my bank account, I approached my bank, your lordship.
Why you have made unanimity as a party?
My lord, the letter at annexure 2 may be seen, page 12.
Why?
My lord, that is the bank says it has been your account.
Why unanimity as a party?
My lord, because it has been freezed as per the instruction by the cyber police in cyber crime portal of Ministry of Home Affairs. That
What
is
is
why
the total amount involved?
500 tanka is disputed, my lord. 500 rupees disputed. Bank says
Which bank? Which bank?
IDBI,
You give a copy to the IBA bank or council.
IDBI bank.
You give a copy to IDBI. Then council the petitioner to serve a copy on the council for the IDBI. What is the total? Only 500?
500 rupees, annexure.
Where from you got that?
My lord, that is annexure 1, your lordship. The bank has issued this account statement and said annexure 1 starts at page 10, page 11. Page 11, your lordship may see. 500 rupees has been credited by one happy shop. This amount is disputed. 500 tanka, my lord. That amount may be deducted, my lord, and my account.
Unnecessary cyber crime 500 rupees chhadi kiri baki ta no no tome jete paisa no 500 rupees se tara kadi no 500 to tamo involvement is 500 rupees
investigation
inquiry karu na ki mana gala paisa defeat kar ka mana jise account kai on the freeze karo ki not a great amount ko money trail ed lagichi
this is his matter. This is his person. I have to take some instructions because
what is
the investigation is going on. So
maybe you investigate now, who is stopping you?
There may be more money matter involvement.
Yeah, for the timing to 500 rupees only.
That is his matter. No instruction not taken.
23rd. Karnataka with the state to take instruction, the Union of India to take instruction. 23rd. Next.
Item 11.
11. See, whenever there is, tell your officer, whenever there is some involvement of cyber crime, you must write in detail to the bank. Because of this, we are instructing you to freeze his account.
The bank has mailed the only has
bank has on the request of your the law enforcement agency, only bank has stopped. So when the law enforcing agency is writing letter,
so bank is the best.
Must contain the details of
My lord, they must have written to the bank, my lord. The bank is to say, my lord, whether
अरे बैंक कैसे कहबो आपण पर कहले सेटू आसीबो आपण साइबर क्राइम रो कोड आइला चिठी चिठी को अकाउंट रे किमती हाउ दिस मैन इज इन्वॉल्व नथिंग इज रिटन सिंपली फ्रीज हिज अकाउंट एटा की जे लेटर काई लिखाबो आपण आन तो इंस्ट्रक्शन मो आपण साइबर क्राइम वाला को ले why there is no clear
5,000 टका पे बंद कर दो
instruction no
I will take
confusion should not be there ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ଲେଖେ ପଇସା ଫ୍ରିଜ କରିବ ଏମିତି ଉପରେ ଉପରେ that is freezing is just you are violating the his right to property
before that
right to property
it can be, my lord, open before that date
you
the
get the instruction
mal and I also serve a copy to the IDBI bank because bank is the
bank is ne apana man
I am muta ani
bank instruction to
I'll
apana na bank kon kari अरे अच्छी पार्टी देवा कथा next
Item 11.
11
My lords, as per the direction of the Honorable Court, I have already served the extra copy of writ application to Mr. Amitav Das,
କାଇଁ ମିଷ୍ଟର ଅମିତାଭ ଦାସ କୁଆଡେ ଗଲେ
Counsel for Paradip Port Authority.
ଆରେ କାଇଁ ମାନେ କେହି ଆସନ୍ତିନି କଣ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ମେଟର ଲାଗିବ କେବେ ଆସିବେନି କଣ ହେଇଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏକ୍ସପର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରି କଣ ହେଇଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Leasehold land of Paradip Port Authority.
ଲିଜ ହୋଲ୍ଡର
1,000 square feet is running
Shop,
wooden workshop.
That is the कौन माने are they there is a proposal for extension of the road or what? Widening of road?
No any.
What is the purpose for
That is the market area, Bodapadia market of Paradip Port.
no they are why they are
Due to pendency of outstanding bills of rupees 7 lakhs rupees as per the order of state of
that I can't help you.
So they have
You have
declaring
to pay
me
you
as,
do one thing, request them for repayment of the outstanding bill.
only for that they are declaring as unauthorized occupant
That सुनिए पड़ेगा.
and noticed for
Without that I
eviction.
can't. I thought it's a just general eviction. So outstanding bill आपने दे दिया. If you pay the outstanding bill, maybe I can request them to repay it, but I can't waive off your bill, sir.
In some installment cycle.
That's not unless in the council, आपने डाकी ना तो डाकी दिए रहो, है ना? आपने डाकी ना. Number अच्छे से phone करो तो डाकी. मैं second half रखो, है ना? I today will finish it. Rakhian. Next,
Item 12.
12.
My lord. My lord, my lord. Thank you, sir. My lord, in item 12, my lord has directed me to delete opposite party number 3 and 4 and implement other parties. So I have filed
What is
an
the issue?
issue is my bank account is been freezed by opposite party number 3. Sorry, opposite party number 2, my bank, stating that opposite party number 1, who was transacted an amount by bringing a,
Who is this opposite party number 1?
my lord, I may state the facts. Opposite party
No,
1,
I'm asking, who is this opposite party number 1?
he is my client. I am a fintech company.
Oh, he's your client. You are a fintech company. Fine. What happened then?
Fintech company, he has transacted an amount by using another person's credit card.
Hmm.
It is alleged by access opposite party number 3 and 2 that the person concerned after 2 months has come up with a complaint. But since medium such as PhonePe or Paytm, he has transacted through me. I don't have that money, but they have.
I understand, sir. Fintech company, what is the role? I understand that you need not say. Wow. So how are you affected? I'm saying.
My account has been freezed. I don't have that.
Fintech company's account is frozen, right?
I am
By the bank?
opposite party number 2.
By the bank. Mr. Mahapatra, will you take the notice? Yeah, anybody appearing for the bank?
On the last date, my lord has directed me to delete opposite party number 3 and 4. The chairman.
Chairman kahi party ho? Chairman SBI कौन करू? Chairman SBI party करू.
नहीं तो delete करके गोटे IF.
ठीक कॉलेज है बाकी copy give a copy to Mr. Mahapatra.
Yes, sir.
To take instruction.
Yes,
The copy of the requisition we served on Mr. Mahapatra. MK Mahapatra. During the course of the day, Aji de diyan. And he shall take instruction from the bank. List the matter on 18.
But my lord, Axis Bank जोटा तार बैंक जो तो आम बैंक को notice आसितला ताकु मैं delete कर दिली IA रे जे तो put कहले.
अरे भाई Axis Bank local branch से उदय थांदे ना particular.
सेटा IA तो file कर छेगा सेटा allow हो गले सन.
अच्छा IA रे का particular.
सेतरे
I don't have any IA here.
My lord, it is filed 11615 of 2024. IA number. 38 तारीख दिन फाइल लीचेंगे.
नहीं हम Anyway, let him take notice only. We'll see that. Last scene आपण करो IA time. Okay, next.
Item 13.
13.
May I please lord? The petitioner or the auction purchaser in respect of the auction notice issued by the respondent bank.
By the SB.
By the respondent Punjab National Bank. The auction was held on 16/11/2022. I deposited the entire amount and thereafter, my lord, no sale certificate issued, register, no position was given.
You are for Punjab National Bank. Give him a copy. Mr. Anjan Bishwa, we have some notice on behalf of the Punjab National Bank. Give a copy.
Aye.
To take
Course of
instruction.
the day.
List the matter on 17. Take instruction, sir. What is the sanctity of auction purchaser then? If you auction purchaser is just he is paying money, everything, and there is not transfer, definitely that is a painful thing.
Let it be on 20th, my lord. 17, 18, 99 not there.
You're not there.
20th.
20. Okay, 20.
Okay.
Next.
Item 14.
And I have taken time to file counter. The
14.
counter. 10 days time may be given to file the counter affidavit.
You file?
I will file my 10 days time.
Transfer the bank. 6-10 days time to file the counter. List the matter on 25th.
Yes.
Next.
15.
15.
Lordship, item 15, Lordship, kindly grant some time to file counter affidavit.
Your for?
Is for the two respondent. Khariyar, NSC Khariyar Lordship.
What is the matter about?
This is regarding eviction. I just spoke, in fact, Mr. Chand also expressed some difficulty. So they'll file a counter in a week's time.
Let him fight.
Yes, ma'am.
Arguments for the opinion number 2.
Lordship.
Opinion number 2. NSC Khariyar.
Khariyar.
10 days time to file the counter. List the matter on 26.
26.
26. 26.
Lordship. Deeply.
Next.
Item 16.
These are all 3.
Again. So
For that,
24th
I
can it be?
understand.
24th can
24.
again.
I don't have any problem. 24. Next.
My lords.
Okay.
Great.
Next.
16.
16.
Interim order to present.
Great.
So there was some division bench order here. What is the order? Can you?
My order is enclosed, my lord, that is annexure. The annexure 3,
Annexure 3.
running page, starting from running page 9, the operating
This
portion
is
is
a
11.
non-jury lamb.
My
Grande
lord,
Rasta.
one dismill, I enclosed my lord, and pet patana ପାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ ଦୋକାନ ଘର କରିଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏବଂ LD case was initiated and then LD case was not concluded till date. In the annexure 1, 2 ଟାକୁ ସେମାନେ issue କଲେ for eviction in the stating that High Court had said that you evict for eviction. Then my lord,
Sorry,
kindly
what is the this division bench order?
this is the running page 11.
What is the order?
My lord, operating the PK Muduli land additional government advocate contender steps for eviction have already been taken in respect of plot number 1311.
What is your plot number? The same plot number.
Separate. But the LD case number
In
4.
view of such position, since the relief sought in the writ petition has already been granted, who has sought the relief? You have sought the relief.
Some villagers.
Some village.
Some villagers. My
What is your problem?
problem, my lord, the appeal is pending.
Appeal is pending. Jaan do appeal appeal ଯଦି pending ଅଛି ସେଠିକି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ନା।
Appeal pending. During pendency of the appeal, se eviction notice was issued.
ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ।
Appeal is pending.
ମୁଁ କିଛି ଦେବିନି ମ୍ୟାମ୍। No.
Annexure 7, my lord. OPL appeal number 33 of 2024 is pending.
So you go and appear before that.
My lord.
You are the encroacher.
My lord.
And they are the villager.
Villager. And se plot ro mu ekka aga nahi. Number of mane gaara.
And I am not going to all these things.
My
ये एका गला रोइला काम मु एसपी तो पस
annexure 8 टा देखो तू माने
arbitrary against dated 12/7/2024 and 180 for eviction. This court had already passed an order for evicting the petitioner from the division bench of this court has already passed an order for evicting the petitioner from the encroached land.
proceeding for eviction.
On to sir, let me complete eviction. Page order dated 5/2/2024.
My lord.
The order dated 5/2/2024, and the eviction process has already begun. Counsel for the petitioner submits that since the appeal is pending before the sub-collector Bhadrak, the issuance of notice by the opposite party is illegal. Full stop. Since the division of bench of this court has already passed an order for eviction, this court cannot override overturn the said order by passing an order, by passing any order, full stop. However, the petitioner, since the petitioner has already appealed before the sub-collector with a appeal number 33 of 2024, the petitioner may approach the said sub-collector Bhadrak for disposal of the said appeal. Accordingly, the sub-collector Bhadrak shall take steps to dispose the appeal at the earliest possible. How can you go?
Till that.
Till that can the division order this bhangi de boli mu kendi order kendi
No,
till that.
division में तो रहेगा तापरे demarcation case is pending.
ए जा था सेटा
The demarcation case is
Sir,
pending.
division bank କହିଛି ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦିଅ ବୋଲି ମୁଁ କେମିତି how
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
can
division-
I override the division bench order?
Division case के जी proceeding is going.
ନା proceeding going on ତ କାଳେ କେମିତି ଅଟକେଇବି କେମିତି କହି ଅଟକେଇବି କହିଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା pending ये जो एटा
ଆପଣ ଯାଇକି ସେଠି କହନ୍ତୁ ଯେ ଇଏ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଯଦି affected you approach the sub-collector କହନ୍ତୁ ଏମିତି ଅଟକେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି ସେ ଅଟକେଇ ପାରିବେ. He can always do that. Sub-collector can do that. If any interim order is if the petitioner seeks for any interim order, the sub-collector shall
କରିପାରିବେ 12(4)
under 12(4). Petitioner can approach the sub-collector by way of filing an application under section 12(4) of the Appeal Act, seeking interim protection.
urgent certificate.
Urgent दिया है मतलब कोई ना वो लेट होती
In course of the day. In course of the day.
course of the day ହିଁ ଦିଆ ହବ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ସବୁ ସାଇନ୍ କଲେ ଯାଉଛି କଣ ବୁଝିଲେ course of the day ସମସ୍ତେ ରଟା ମାର ଦଉଛନ୍ତି. Next
Item 17.
17.
Item 17, madam, the petition has been acquitted by order dated 9/7/2024, madam.
So
In fact,
case is over.
in fact,
Okay. Learn counsel for the petition submitted that since the petition has already been acquitted by order dated
9/7/2024,
9/7/2024
2024.
in case number.
Case number,
Gentlemen,
essay case number 5 of 2020,
say case number 5 of
2020.
2020. 2020. अरे मैडम जी कौन तो वो काम सुबह होते
Case
ऐसे
number
केस नंबर कितने
505,
आईआर की कोई वो
2020.
कोई भी ना मुझे तो कंफ्यूजन 2022 21
नहीं, 2020.
2020 accordingly the next
Item 18.
18.
May I please your lordship? My lord, here in this case, the offence alleged under section 302 and 201 of the IPC, and the petitioner is inside custody since 1/7/2020, my lord.
1/7/2020
Okay.
कौन को ले आओ
My lord, the brief fact of the case is that one Millie Sahu on 26/2020 lodged an FIR before the Jamkira PS alleging since 17/6/2020 her father-in-law is missing, and on 19/6/2020 missing on 19/6/2020 his dead body was found from one Debjhar Nora in suspicious condition, and informant also suspected one Lingara Sahu, Koira Sahu, Prafulla Sahu and
you
other.
are with Sahu
My lord, I am Sunnit Kontari, my lord.
Lord, if your
With
lordship
help-
will remember, this is the case of the priest who was killed.
With the help of the Sunnit Kontari, my lord, that is the FIR
so
allegation.
you are the man assailant.
My lord, here in this case, there is no direct evidence. There is no eyewitness to the occurrence. The motive is completely absent. For the reason,
Boli आओ
No, madam.
my lord,
sir
What has happened in this case, my lord? The
sir pujari को
Pujari,
Sorry,
the
sorry.
petitioners,
I
the
remember a little bit just भूल जाइए
informant husband was killed by some of the peoples, another group. Informant's husband who were previously killed by a group of the peoples. After that, to take revenge on those persons, the present deceased went to the priest, the present accused, to do some pujas and other things so that ତାଙ୍କର କ୍ଷତି ହବ. As nothing has happened. The
अच्छा 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 बोलो तू केमती पूजा कलु
କିଛି ହେଲାନି ସେ ପ୍ରିଷ୍ଟ କୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗାଳି ଦେଲା ପ୍ରିଷ୍ଟ ତାକୁ ଡାକିକି ନେଇକି ବଣ ଭିତରେ ମାରିଲା.
प्रीस्ट को मार देले
ପ୍ରିଷ୍ଟ ତାକୁ ଡାକିକି ନେଲା
ଓହୋ,
କହିଲା
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଆଚ୍ଛା।
ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଯାଇକି ପୂଜା କରିବାର
because he
ଅଛି.
scolded the priest.
ମାରିଲା.
So what is your role
My lord, my lord,
in the entire episode?
He is the priest.
You killed.
no, my lord.
So what
My
is
lord,
the stage of the trial?
my lord, trial is
Bail-
going on
bail-
out of the,
bail
my lord,
grant.
let me submit, my lord.
Bail grant करूनी मु खाली मते को trial ର position.
Out of 39 charge sheet witness, 19 witnesses has been examined. My lord, let me submit, my lord, kindly. This is as this is the third journey, my lord. My lord,
Johnny.
my lord,
सात कितने जनी हो के देखी.
my lord, the motive is completely absent. And my lord,
Motive
from
is
the
clear.
IO, no, my lord, that is the confessional statement only. There is no witness to that statement also. My lord, the IO's investigation is a faulty one because, my lord, the dead body found in a distance place in their journal, they state.
Faulty or not faulty, you raised that before the trial court.
My lord,
How in the bail application?
as the bail, the merit of the bail is lying on that. My lord, the boy committed to the custody at age of 19. It has already been 4 years, my lord.
Why 19 years?
At the time of inside his custody, committed to custody 19 years.
So there is no evidence.
The person is having no antecedent
Nobody
also.
has given any
No, my lord. There is no eyewitness, no nothing, my lord. And my lord, the dead body found in a Deo journal.
any evidence against him?
My lord, the priest has taken the police, the IO to the place of occurrence. And from there, the priest, I mean, the petitioner has taken the IO to the place of occurrence. And from there, they found out that chapel and the stone on which he has crossed.
He's the priest. This boy.
The boy is the priest.
There is 2 scissors, my lord. At the time of occurrence, they found 2 stones, my lord. Considering this,
Okay, granting.
oh,
लगाओ.
ଗଛ ପଛ ଲଗାଉଛି.
ଏଇଟା ତ ଲଗେଇବ କୋଉ ଗାଁ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କୋଉ ଗାଁ? କୋଉ ଗାଁ?
ତାର ଗାଁ ଦେଓଗଡ଼ରେ
ଦେଓଗଡ଼.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ରେସିଡେନ୍ସ ଅଫ ଖଳିଆ ନାଲି
500 ଗଛ. ଦେଓଗଡ଼ ଜାଗା ହିଁ ଜାଗା.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ଏରିଆ. Anyway, 100 plants ଲଗାओ. Comments for this caddy. Only 19 witnesses have been examined out of 39. Shall not and we shall plant 100 saplings of local varieties of jamun, limla, so like this. And in his area, if he doesn't find area for plantation, he shall approach the revenue authority who shall demarcate the area for plantation, and the forest department shall help in supplying the saplings. And he has to file an affidavit before the local police station within 2 months about the plantation. Hala? Affidavit file karibo. So I call you affidavit file before the police station. Right.
Item 19.
1/7/17. 1st July.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
2022.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ठीक है, next.
May I please your lordship, my lord? In this case,
There are several bail applications pending arise out of the same FIR. So I should not mention
Which
for
one? This-
others bail application. At least my land and brother may be instructed to number, I have collected 2 numbers. So let it be posted in one day so that the case will be disposed
What is the
of.
matter about?
Matter, the fraudulent gold loan, present petitioner is the deputy manager. And
Which bank?
7 persons are been implicated in this
Which
case.
bank? Which bank?
Axis Bank,
You are the
deputy manager.
manager. What
Only
is
the
your-
document
role?
scrutiny my work, nothing else. To scrutiny the documents. Allegation is that
So
they
you
have,
not scrutinize.
and a wig man
You
and
have
a
been
gold loan officers are there,
Custody since when?
my lord.
Custody कब मिली?
The 17 March, 7th March,
Year कौन तू?
2024.
और कैसे आसू? क्या वैसे? The number.
Number,
Malad, I have a connected matter arising out of the same,
तो वे कैसे आसू?
yes, same FIR.
number
कैसे
is
आसू सर? Number दे तो number दे.
BLAPL number 65.
और कागज लिखी दे तो वैसे हम मन रखूँ मन. अब कागज लिखी दे हम मन लिख. Next.
When it is posted, no?
Yeah, I'm giving you date. 24th.
24th.
Here also.
informant.
जाते हो हर जगह में.
The number कितना
Next.
लिख दिया?
Item 20.
20.
I would look.
1 week time to file case requisition.
Huh?
1 week time. Issue notice.
Both are.
I would look.
Item
I would
20.
look.
Notice issue है तो ना.
20.
Item 20. Notice issue है
2011 to notice issue है.
No.
2011 to about notice requisite file करना. That seems that you are not interested to pursue the matter. 2011 to notice issue वाला ने अब अपना file करना थी मैंने कौन? Straight away dismiss करो.
मतलब
It seems
last
that the
chance.
petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter. He has not filed the requisites. Since
मतलब
2011,
last chance.
the matter cannot be allowed to
Item लिख दिया.
kept pending for such a long time. Again dismiss. Dismiss.
मतलब kindly last chance man.
Now last chance.
नहीं requisite file करଥିଲେ subsequently କେତେଟା answer होଇ के फेरला ପରେ से file करଥିଲେ.
କେବେ ଫେରିଲା? Just କେବେ ଫେରିଲା?
2023 ରେ
23 ରେ ଫେରିଲା.
ମାନେ
11
order
ଟା
ହେଇଛି
23
ତାପରେ
ରେ।
ସବୁ 11 ପରେ ତାଉ କେସ୍ ଉଠି ନଥିଲା ତ order ହେଇଛି.
Case ଉଠିନି. ଛାଡ. Let it be. Okay, list the matter on 7th October.
Interim order is there मतलब.
Interim order कौन है? What is the interim order? This is something.
7th.
Interim order कौन थिला? Pronouncement of the final order is stayed. बाकी order one. ମାନେ final order pronouncement stay ହେଇଯାଇଛି. ମାନେ last 13 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି pronouncement of final order is stayed. ଧନ୍ୟ ସେ ଧନ୍ୟ 9th ରେ ଲଗେଇଦେ 9th ହେଲା 9th ରେ made final ନା 9th ରେ କି the time ନେଲ 25,000 cost. I'm not going to spare you. 9th next. Interim order ମୁଁ ହଟେଇ ଦେଲି ହେଲା. Interim order shall not the interim order shall not continue. Vacated. Interim order is vacated straight away. Next.
Item 21.
May I please, Your Lordship? And that here the petitioner is assailing the order judgment dated 2022 and the judgment dated 31/1/2023, my lord. Here is the check bounce case. My LCR has not been called for.
What is the amount involved?
60,000, my lord.
What is the order passed?
Order passed, my lord.
Check amount of 80,000.
Check amount of 80,000, my lord.
Check amount of 80,000 and what is the
After that, my lord, the law and court below has
अरे final order जोड़े
final order is
कोड लाना कोड बिलो कोड
60,000, my lord, and legal expense of 55,000. 65,000, my lord.
65,000.
My lord.
So
My lord. Some amount may kindly go and my bail is pending, my lord.
ଆଉ ଯାଅ ଏଠୁ ଆଉ some amount କିଛି କରାଯିବ you pay it and go ସିଏ ପଇସା ନଥିଲେ ପଇସା କାହିଁ ସିଏ କିଛି କରୁଛନ୍ତି
My lord, compensation amount is 60,000 rupees, my lord. 22,500 rupees already deposit, my lord.
that's what I'm saying
42,000 ଟଙ୍କା ବାକି ଅଛି ଆଉ।
ବାକି ସେ ପଇସା ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଖତମ କରନ୍ତୁ I want to close it ଦେବେ ଦେବେ
I'll take the instruction, my lord. He was not.
take instruction regarding the payment of the awarded amount instruction level 9th level sir 9th take instruction
My lord,
9th
it can be
9 କଣ ହେଲା ଅସୁବିଧା
9th might be holiday, my lord. Sometimes 9th might be holiday. my lord.
holiday
9th holiday କି holiday
state declare କରିଛି ନା High Court ତ କରିଛି।
Sorry, my lord. Okay, my lord.
ହବନି no holiday 10th କରିଦେ
Oblige, my
Oblige.
lord.
Item 22.
22
On behalf of Mr. Maharana Rani CGC, on behalf of
please
Mr. Maharana Rani CGC, he is on his legs. Kindly may pass over, man. Kindly may be pass over.
you are also on his leg
My lord, but I have not gone through the matter.
2 p.m.
God bless you.
Yeah,
2 p.m.
my lord, that matter wherein my lord says one of the case and disposed of, that is that Alimco, Nittar and that matter. That I have gone through it, but 2 documents has not been taken care of. My humble submission would be, prior to that, one judgment of this honorable court, wherein that particular order has been set aside. That has never been challenged by the opposite party authority, nor anyway they have reviewed the same. And thereapter also, they have issued
If
the
my order is wrong then you
I'm not saying it wrong. But 2 documents, which is the vital document to my REIT application, I don't know whether that has been taken care of in that REIT or not. So far, this particular document is concerned, which is the,
same
but it is somewhat different manner because this judgment of this honorable court in the division.
ସେ କୋର୍ଟ ର ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ ମୋ କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ମୋ ଅର୍ଡର ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରନ୍ତୁ ନା
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଟିକେ I am different than that of the other matters. I'm submitting in that way. I'm not saying. Aye.
Item
Next.
24.
24 ଏଟା କେବେ 2015 ମିଟର ଆମେ ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲୁ କାଉଣ୍ଟର କେବେ ଫାଇଲ କରାଯାଇଥିଲା
Counter file since long by file ହେଇଥିଲା କପି ଟା ଦିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା କହିଲେ ଯେ ମତେ ଗୋଟେ I have already
you both of you get ready to the written note of submission
my lord
list the matter for final hearing on 24th
my lord 24th October
नहीं सितंबर
my lord
अक्टूबर को जो नहीं आया इतने लंबा को नहीं फटाफट आओ अक्टूबर नवंबर में जाए नेक्स्ट
25.
25
25, my lord, I am appealing for the OP number 2 and 3, my lord. I have filed
who
the
for
writ
the petitioner it's a ratha कोड़े गले
already filed my written note already filed, my lord. Submission written note submission already filed,
argument is over
my lord. Over.
वो खाली written note में अच्छी
Already filed, my lord.
both party
I have filed, my lord.
और both party file नहीं करते
Oh, thank you.
agency that close okay order is
What's your place?
ଏଇଟା ଦେଖ ଭଲ କି
Fine.
ନହେଲେ ଆଉଥରେ ଲଗେଇଦବା ଆପଣ କୋଉଥିରେ ଏଇଥିରେ
My lords, we have given the written note of submission.
Yes.
Yeah, lordships may
I do
pass orders.
yes order is next
Item 26.
I am filing the rejoinder appeal
rejoinder let's the matter for final hearing on 25th final hearing for 25th
25th
note would have been
yes interim order may continue
next
Note the Canada eviction method.
eviction note
eviction ଟା ତାହେଲେ କଣ note ପାଇଁ ଦରକାର ଏମିତି ତ ଏବେ ଶୁଣି ଦେବା ତାହେଲେ
eviction
ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରନ୍ତୁ 25 ତ
25
26.
sorry
26
ହଁ କଣ ହେଇଛି
my lord that I have my residential house surrounded by the boundary wall
the encroachment case was initiated.
It is against the revision order, against the revision.
No.
What is that?
My lord, I'm coming to your lordship, my lord. Let me come.
They have not approved the.
My lord, yeah, I'm coming to that. The order of this honor court has not been complied with that.
Order, order first. This is what are you challenging?
My order challenging that the eviction notice.
Where is the notice?
Notice is under annexure 4. At page 17. Background ta koi dochi tike background background hochi they say that I have encroached the 5 decimals of land, government land. On the same day, a firm notice was issued to me. On the same day, without giving an opportunity of being had, B firm was issued for eviction. I challenged that before this honor court. On same very day, without giving opportunity, judgment passed. And this honor court directed that measurement may be done whether there is an encroachment in presence by giving notice to the petitioner. If there is any encroachment by the petitioner on government land. They did not give the notice pursuant to direction of this honor court. I do not know that measurement was done. Again, this form B has been issued.
Who cut the matter short? You approach the authority. Let the authority decide the issue because this court is not competent to.
My lord, this direction should be implemented. My lord, this direction of this honor court should be implemented. The order
What is the order direction?
See to my your lordship kindly come to page 5. My operative portion order I am operative portion I am. In view of the fact stated here in above paragraph, as the petitioner requested for measurement of land, this court disposes of the writ petition with a direction to the opposite partner 3 to measure both the land of that is petitioner's land as well as
Let them measure that.
make a measurement in presence of mind.
What I am saying, upon measurement order upon measurement no
measurement ମୁଁ ଯଦି encroacher ଅଛି measurement ହବ ସିନା ତାପରେ ମୁଁ eviction ଇଏ କରିବି ଆଉ arbitrarily ଯଦି political pressure କହିବି
saying not to cut the matter short. Let them measure the land.
Yes.
And whatever your appeal is pending accordingly, they decide the appeal.
Appeal nahi main case encroachment
Sorry, encroachment case.
Yes.
Encroachment case number kya hai?
Encroachment case number is wait a minute 707 of 2015-16. 15 and 16
is the this court. What is the order?
Order I have quoted at page 5. Operative portion is 7.
Yes.
Kindly have a glance to page 5 of my counter affidavit.
Yes.
My learned senior is saying that we have not given him opportunity at the time of.
I am not going to all these things. Simply you let him approach.
He has participated in the
That is-
I have
demarcation.
not participated at all. I have taken the stand kindly
Six
see read
standard
my
paragraph number
I am
18.
not going to do anything. है ना? The petitioner has filed the present petition challenging the annexure 4, the notice, the CAW form dated 22/4/2016 in encroachment case number 707 of 2015-16 for encroaching an area of 0.4 decimal of land out of total area of 0.49 decimal pertaining to Khata number 870, plot number 327.
26 to 27.
And an area of 0.01 decimal out of total area 1 decimal, 14.1326 of Khata number 870. She's the petitioner has already approached.
The Tahsil.
She's the encroachment case is pending before the Tahsildar.
Yes.
Tahsildar?
Bhandari Pokhari.
Bhandari Pokhari. The petitioner to pursue his remedy before the said Tahsildar. In the meantime, the Tahsildar shall take steps for measurement of the encroachment, the extent of the measurement of the extent of the encroached land. And accordingly, pass an reasonable order.
By giving notice to me.
Order by giving notice to the petition.
Till then, no eviction.
Till the matter is taken up by the Tahsildar. The Tahsildar shall dispose of the encroachment case within 2 months from the date of presentation of the order. Till the matter is taken up by the Tahsildar, there shall not be
Any eviction.
eviction. Hala?
Boundary আছে 50 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ମୋ ଦେଖେ
16 ରୁ ଏଟା ଏଟା ଏଇ ପଦ ପାଇଁ 16 ରୁ ପଡିଛି ରେ କେସ୍ ଟା 8 ବର୍ଷ
50 ବର୍ଷର ବାଉଣ୍ଡରୀ ୱାଲ୍
ଏଇ ଯୋଉଠି ଯୋଉ ଗୋଟେ ଫୋରମ ଟେ ଅଛି ସେ ଫୋରମ କୁ
ତ
ସିଧା
ଟେକ୍ ଅପ୍
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ପଡି ରହିଲା ଗଲା ବର୍ଷ
ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଥାଏ ଅପରଚୁନିଟି ନଦେଲେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଆସିଲି ନା ଆଉ କଣ ନଥିଲେ କୋର୍ଟ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ଟା
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ରେ this could have been resolved within no time. That's what I'm saying. 16 ରୁ 8 ବର୍ଷ ପଡିବା ଜରୁରୀ ନଥିଲା କିଛି. Next.
Item 27.
27. Twenty-five.
Master to lifted appeals just like the case.
order is a pra.
बहुत सुनी है क्या?
ଆଉ କିଛି नहीं ଶୁଣିଛି ତ ପୁରା ଦି ପଟେ ଶୁଣିଛି
वो जब वो ठीक है बात करते थे माने
ଆଉ ଆପଣ କଣ ଶୁଣିଛୁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଶୁଣିଛୁ
आएगा
ସର୍ଟକଟ୍ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଲମ୍ବା ନାହିଁ
नहीं सर लंबा लो नहीं थे
ମତେ ଖାଲି ତାର କ୍ରକ୍ସ କହି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଖାଲି କ୍ରକ୍ସ
I just my lord I am refreshing my memory. I know your lordship's memory is very sharp.
no not sir
On the last occasion when the matter was heard, I had shown that the petitioner in due process of selection was appointed as the treasurer. And he has been continuing all through till to date. Opposite party number 4 was appointed as a clerical work. Thereafter, my lord, he was asked to appear in the appointed as the treasurer. And after hearing a lot, your lordship wanted to know 2 things from this other side, the corporation lawyer. That whether the petitioner was continuing as a treasurer from beginning till today, and the opposite party number 4 was at all paid the salary of treasurer at any time, and a proposition was raised by my lord on the other side that in the event the petitioner would be allowed to continue as a regular treasurer, there will be double payment of the post of treasurer. One of the propositions he raised. I had submitted by way of an affidavit stating inter alia that from the day 1 till to date, my lord, not only I was taken in as the post of treasurer, I have been paid the salary of the treasurer from till today. And in the different pay revision scale of pay, I have been paid the salary of treasurer only because from the year sometime the increment has not been given to me. But the treasurer scale of pay is being extended from time to time as per the 5th pay revision, 6th pay revision, 7th pay revision. Then the question is, opposite party number 4 has retired in the meantime, my lord. And as per his own application, opposite party number 4 has been given the benefit of the original post in which he was continuing, and his pension is being paid in that scale of pay.
Okay.
So there will be no question of double payment. Then there's no question of double jeopardy or like that, my lord. Once the petitioner is continuing for the last 27, 28 years in the post of treasurer, and the post of treasurer is a regular post is available, and I have been continuing by the order of the honorable court. Now the question is regularization of the post of treasurer, and since I have been paid by scale of pay all through, increment and other benefits are to be extended in my favor.
you are still not regularized
No, this is not regularized. Probably because the matter is pending sub judice before my lord. And the opposite party number 4 was never been regularized in the post of treasurer or paid the scale. He has been made to retire. And after retirement, he is getting the scale of pay of the post in which he was continuing retired. Your lordship can wait just for a moment. I have given the submission given by my learned friend in the additional affidavit. He has enclosed the. Your lordship can see the
with page
written note of submission filed by my learned friend. Can my lord have a look to the page 6 of my note?
so tell me one by one 1 2 3 4
Yes,
what is your best point
My best point. My best point is I was appointed pursuant to a requisition made by the authority, the department to the employment exchange, My name was sponsored. I faced the selection. I was having the requisite qualification for the post of treasurer, and accordingly from day one I have been continuing till today.
From, was it the requisition was made for treasurer? Or
Yes, my lord.
treasurer only?
Yes, my lord.
Then you got appointment as treasurer?
Yes, my lord. From day one. 1/7/1989. You lost, you can see Annexure 2 for a moment. And my learned friend has also no grievance about my documents.
You've been appointed on from one?
My lord, one, I joined in the post of treasurer according to that is one, my lord. 1/7/1989.
Then?
Till today I am continuing the post of treasurer, my lord.
There is no break.
My lord.
There is no break.
There is no break.
Then third?
Your lordship, as your lordship wanted to know what is my best point, can your lordship have go to page 5 of my written note of submission additionally? That is last page. I have given my best points in the last paragraph.
Page 5?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, please.
The additional written statement I gave it on 19th of December 2022.
Yes.
Only 2 pages, may I read it, my lord?
Please.
That at the time of hearing of the case, the counsel for the corporation made a submission that the opposite party number 4 having been extended the benefit of the salary of the post of treasurer by the corporation in the event the petitioner would succeed, there will be double payment on the post of treasurer. This submission is completely fallacious. The petitioner who is to be taken against the regular post of treasurer in no stretch of imagination could be denied the benefit of the post of treasurer in view of the fact A. This honorable court in OJC number 91/1995 had categorically directed the managing director to take a decision, and accordingly the managing director taken the decision. Such order has not been challenged or modified. Therefore, the petitioner is entitled to get the benefit of regularization. B. The writ application filed by the opposite party number 4, that is OJC 2706 of 96, disposed of by this honorable court on 11/4/2014 without expressing the merit of the case by directing the opposite party number 2 to take a decision on the case of the opposite party number 4, relying on the government resolution dated 15/5/1997 and dated 4/9/2012. Since the opposite party number 2 decided that such government resolution have no application to the corporation, therefore the opposite party number 4 is not to get the benefit of regularization in the post of treasurer. In spite of the said decision of the board, if the opposite party number 4 is extended the benefit of the scale of pay of treasurer, the petitioner cannot be denied the benefit of the post of treasurer. On the other hand, my lord, this is more important. See, on the other hand, from the initial date of joining as treasurer, not only the petitioner has been continuing and discharging the duties of the post of the treasurer, but also the petitioner is being paid the scale of pay post of treasurer from 1989 till today. It is submitted that not only the petitioner was paid the scale of pay post of treasurer, but also the petitioner was extended the incremental dues of the said post from the period 1989 to 1994. However, for the reasons best known to the authorities, the incremental dues of the scale of pay of the post of treasurer is not extended to the petitioner from the year 1995, although the scale of pay prescribed for the post of treasurer as per 1998 pay revision, 2008 pay revision, and 2017 pay revision are extended to the petitioner in its basic scale of pay, and the petitioner is in receipt of the same.
Okay, I understood that. Any other point? This point I understood.
Second point.
That's all. Any other point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That there is a qualification prescribed for the post of tracer. The opposite party number 4 doesn't have the qualification for the post of tracer. Once he doesn't have the required, it's a technical post by law.
So you have the qualification?
Yes, my lord.
What is the qualification? IT?
That is that man ITI. ITI trained for the post of draftsmanship and
This man,
he's a clerk, my lord.
Clerk.
Clerk. He has been put to function the tracer without having qualification. I do not know.
So your evidence is that a clerk has been just given the post of tracer, whereas a tracer, real tracer,
yes,
is tracing his job.
Yes,
right?
He's tracing his regularization.
Yeah, that's right.
He is continuing. I cannot say that he's tracing his job. Because
Yeah,
from that
now-
till today he is continuing.
No.
She is tracing her regularization.
Take it. I understand. Okay, you have to say.
Sir, actually, we have acted in pursuance of the orders of this honorable court. But an aggregate application was filed wherein there was an interim direction, RC Prusti is to continue. We continued, there was only one post of tracer. We continued.
But you are a regular employee.
He is from the corporation, sir.
I'm the employee.
He's the employer.
Oh, sorry, you are the employee.
Opposite
So,
party
number
was-
4 is not there.
Yes, retired now.
He has retired.
You are still continuing.
I am continuing.
So there you
Your lordship wanted to know from him.
Your lordship will pass any order. Only
See,
thing
this
is-
person is qualified, he has been working for such a long time,
Hello.
and the other person has no more, the post is also required.
Yes, post is there.
My lord, because the matter is pending, because there was an.
Anyway, the matter is not pending now from
Now it is over.
now it is over.
Over.
Okay.
But my lord's regularization, my lord, I'll just take. Your lordships will pass any order, we will.
A person has
Only
Sir,
the
1989 nu sir continue କରୁଛି.
95.
date of payment of regular salary may be prospective. That is.
No, I am getting that salary, sir. Only incremental.
He's not asking for that.
What I'm asking for. I'm getting the salary, my increment, everything must be given with a regularization order so that I can get a pension. What else I can get after retirement?
You are retired? No.
No.
How many years left?
Sir, sir, that's not. They cannot take a
So
free
you,
tax.
so I mean, they don't have any retrospective burden.
I
You have been getting everything.
yes, that only
Only regularization.
regularization and grant of increment.
Your lordships by direct, you will regularize, but with no retrospective effect.
No, he's not asking for that.
Whatever is.
That's why he's saying
Without
no, he has been receiving everything.
But
That's
only
right.
man the increments are not being paid. Then
Ah,
that was the
increment ta
regularization.
debe au.
Other things.
That was
because
the
she was
regularization.
Not serving in a regular way.
I'll pass on.
Your lordships may take it without recording.
I'll take care of that.
Sir, so even 2007 pay I am getting. But only question is I am not getting increment. Only basic pay continue କରୁଛି. I must get all these things. Unless I get a continuity, how can I get RSCB, SCB, etc. My lord?
Okay, we'll see.
Those things must be there.
No, once we decide to regularize him, we have to pay all these things.
Yes, ma'am.
That can't be.
There will be no financial burden.
In fact, only the
ତାଙ୍କର burden ନାହିଁ sir.
only this increment part.
Yes.
Baki the everything he was getting. So there will not be much burden. I don't think your corporation will be burdened much. I don't think.
Nothing burden, sir.
They are continuing.
My London friends will definitely outside you'll appreciate it. Inside you not. No, he's inside court you not say.
I'll never stand in sir's way.
But Mr. Kanan, I say we are opposing each other inside the court, not outside.
That is always there. So outside we are always. Okay. ठीक है.
Judgment is your member.
Yes.
Item 27.
Item number 27, my lords.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship?
27.
Yes, my lords.
Yeah.
In this case, my lords, the petitioner is a landless person and is also residing in the land in question since last.
You are for the
Yes, my lords. Since more than 3 decades, my lords. What happened, my lords? The
you are
petitioner,
landless person.
landless person.
Have you approached the
Yes, my lords, I have approached.
Let's let me tell the brief fact. Yes,
answer
Milad.
my question will solve into brief.
They have not taken any decision
Still pending?
despite still pending,
Pending.
Milad. Yes, Milad. The case number is Milad, that is at annexure.
Encroachment case number
En-
207 of 16.
Not for settlement, no? Settlement by the
Settlement by 8 years jibe.
You approach under
नहीं आमे करिछु कोन हेछि annexure 5 रे annexure 5 रे wife of the petitioner is a green card holder and there is a specific notification जो थरे green card holder को settle हे पर
If you are just possessing the government land for such a long time,
आज्ञा
you approach under section 8A
आज्ञा
to the Tahsildar. Which
He will
Tahsildar?
forward the same to the higher form, that is a sub collector matter. 8 years. 8 years से apply करिवे तहसीलदार को, तहसीलदार due process रे ताको process
That will do the 8A करे.
टिक्के मतलब
Just a minute.
आज्ञा
If you want to go there, what should I get?
नो मतलब टिक्के खाली
Go there.
आगुरो हमें हाई कोर्ट आसलो तांको इनएक्शन
High Court कौन पे आसीबो first of all High
नहीं।
Court आसीबा कथा न High Court जे आसी ताको मु किछि देबिनी
मो खाली
लिखि देबो ताको सब मिले
से माने थरे हमरो डायरेक्शन थिला अपील
एक्ट रे बना हिछि गुटे अथॉरिटी बनिछि से अथॉरिटी कोन जे हवा खाइबा पे अछि
नहीं 7-2 रे प्रोविजन अछि मिलट्स टू सेटल द लैंड
go there apply under file your application or 8A they will decide
वो फाइल करू टिक्के खाली गोटे मिनिट द फैक्ट ऑफ द केस मिलट्स लेट मी प्रेजेंट मो हाई कोर्ट आसली हाई कोर्ट कहले अपील फाइल करिया को आई हैव फाइल द अपील मो फेवर रे अछि एनक्रोचमेंट ऑर्डर हैज बीन सेट असाइड सब्सिक्वेंटली से सेटा को हियरिंग न करके अगेन एंड अगेन आउथरे एनक्रोचमेंट ऑर्डर कर चलचंदी तीनटा चारटा एनक्रोचमेंट ऑर्डर कर चलेनी बट गोटे जोटा अपीलेट अथॉरिटी कहिचंदी हियरिंग करके करिया को सेटा को से प्रॉपर्ली करू नाहंती
हाई कोर्ट रे कोन आइतले भूली जानतु आपण हाई कोर्ट आइतले हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर पास करतला भूली जानतु
अपीलेट अथॉरिटी जो ऑर्डर करचंदी सेटा भी कंसीडर करनांदी
हाई कोर्ट किछि कहनी जानतु नेक्स्ट फ्रेश ऑर्डर पास करो 8A and the said authority shall dispose of the application under section 8A within a period of 3 months from the date of presentation of the order. Hala, that's close. Matter of disposal. आपण घटाए पे ऑर्डर देछि
आज्ञा
eviction order अछि ना
आज्ञा
till the matter is settled till the settlement application is disposed of there shall not be any pursuit action not disposed because matter is heard by the authority हाई कोर्ट बार बार कथा कथा हाई कोर्ट पळे हाई कोर्ट आसीबा कथा नै केस रे फास्ट सेटिक जाओ जहाँ कहले
जाय के अपील फाइल करथिलु
जहाँ फाइल करन कि मना करछि सेटलमेंट पे अपील के फाइल करछि हम सेटलमेंट पे जिबे ना अपील फाइल करबे यू शुड गो फॉर सेटलमेंट 8A कोन पे अछि अपील ता बटर जाऊ इट इज मैन एटा
ग्रेट
छाड़ केस रे 2016 रो पड़ी 8 इयर्स थैंक गॉड हाई कोर्ट का कुछ नहीं हो सकता एक 8 वर्ष एटा केस 8 वर्ष 2 मिनिट खेल 8 वर्ष पड़ी दैछि नेक्स्ट
Item 28.
Item 28 there is a noting that postal requisite not filed on
2016 रो फाइल
जान तो अपील एटा भी अपील ले जिबे
already filed extra copies
एटा भी जान तो अपील एटा कोन अपील ले जान तो गो टू अपील अपील ले जान तो and the petitioner is granted liberty to approach the sub collector के
आज्ञा सब कलेक्टर
के अरे भाई को जगह
पूरी
sub collector Puri the sub collector Puri shall decide the appeal within a period of 3 months from the date of presentation of the order disposal
no coercive action
till the matter is taken up by the sub collector Puri hala close ए सारीबा कथा से माने साइले तापरे एठी के आसीबे एठी कोन फास्ट एठी के पळे होचंदी एठु पुनी धक्का मारा होछ माने इट इज दिस इज टॉप टू बॉटम अप्रोच चली बॉटम अप अप्रोच हवा कथा बॉटम अप अप्रोच इज मिसिंग हियर
अरे हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर पास करा पर आपकी
नहीं वी आर द कल्प्रिट ना क्या होता है हम तो कल्प्रिट है जो मैटर 2 मिनट में खत्म हो सकता है उसको 8 साल तक नहीं करते हम पढ़ा रहता है बस नेक्स्ट
Item 29. 29, my lord, here I am.
तो कई बार कौन अछि
I
don't care नेक्स्ट
29, my lord, I am appearing for the opposite party corporation, my lord.
So my instruction is that drainage work has already been completed.
आपण बरमपुर म्युनिसिपालिटी
Fine.
कौन है चीटा
Drainage anticipated eviction against encroachment.
No, they have,
Kintu
what
seita
they have done,
already drainage work has been completed, madam.
what they have done, they have put marks on each house saying that they should be demolished to that level. Then there was
this is the matter is from 2016.
16.
So
Now
just
my
for
friend says,
demarcation, you have come against the demarcation.
No
demolition.
Demolition.
They have threatened demolition of the house.
The order passed.
No order passed.
Ali imdi patre.
Yes, because so municipality वाला कौन करते हैं? दागा मार दिया उनके माइक रे announce कर दिया भांगी दिया.
दागा छाड़िला.
जगह कौन?
Municipality दागा छाड़िला है. The petitioner to approach.
नहीं, we have already approached.
कौन अपना grievance ताले?
My grievance is that they, on the guise of making a drainage to the road, they wanted that the front portion of our house should be demolished.
आपका house from encroach got पे.
Encroach हेले मोर कौन असुविधा थिला के?
आपका निजा घर के.
हाँ, that is the point.
No, my instruction is that drainage work has already been completed.
Completed, they don't want to do it now.
BMC submit that since the drainage work has already been completed, the cause of action as narrated in the writ petition, I'll set out in the writ petition, doesn't survive anymore. Closed. Next. 16.
Item 30.
30. Break. Short break.
Item 30, my lords, I am filing the reply to regender because there is a observation and direction. I am filing. So there is observation ହେଇଯିବରା ହେଇଥିଲା.
Counter regender था यार.
ସେ ଗୋଟେ observation ଥିଲା ବୋଲି ମୁଁ reply to regender ଟା ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି. ଯେ ମାନେ senior raised some new points in the regender.
I have not raised any new point. Our since he has given a document.
आर्ग्यू कलाले କହିଦେଲା ବୋଲି.
କହିଦେଇଥିଲା ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା. ଯେହେତୁ observation ଥିଲା ମତେ ଗୋଟେ reply to regender.
ମୁଁ justice ଦେଲେ ଯାହା ଦେଖୁଛି.
There is no concept of reply to regender. କୋ rule ନାହିଁ.
କିନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ କଣ ନୂଆ ଯେହେତୁ affidavit ନୂଆ ଜିନିଷ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ମତେ I am to go through any date this week or next week may fix up.
I am fixing on 1st October.
1st October.
Finally.
Yes sir. ମୁଁ ତ
ମୁଁ ଏଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି କୋର୍ଟ ଏଟା ସେଟା
ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କରା କରି କୁହନ୍ତୁ.
ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇ
Give me written note of submission on that for final hearing. Next.
1st October sir.
Yes.
before
Gandhi bonds.
This is
sir September ଗୋଟେ ହବନି? September ଗୋଟେ date ହବନି?
ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ତ ଏଥିରେ କହୁଛି 26.
Yes sir. 26 September.
31.
This is about unnecessary doubt on the question of CGPA and the marks. That case
nothing is there.
application.
University, no?
No. I am for the opposite party number 4. Society. Society. Cooperative society. Facts.
कौन है you
Appointment of secretary.
Appointment of
Secretary to the society.
Secretary.
I'll remind my lords, this is the matter wherein that provisional mark list and the final marks list was there. In the provisional mark sheet, the present petitioner had secured the highest marks. But when the final merit list was published,
That CGP program.
again, my lords, in any case, my lords had directed me to contact the petitioner, which I'm unable to have sent him registered letters with registered post and filing a memo citing the same that I'm unable to contact him. It may kindly be withdrawn, but a liberty may be given that if the issue subsists, that he can raise this at a later stage. That's all I'm taking. I'm taking instruction. I cannot state that, my lords. I'm unable to contact him. With that liberty, my lord.
Despite despite best effort, he has failed to establish contact with the petitioner. Hence, he doesn't have any instruction. He seeks to withdraw the petition.
With the liberty that if the issue subsists, my lords,
When you issue, you need cause of action suffice, you can approach this court afresh. Hala?
I'm grateful, my lords.
Disposal. Next,
Interim order, not this.
all interim order stand disposed of.
Disposed of, if order goes.
ସବୁ ତ ଗଲା ଆଉ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
interim order ରହିବ। main petition ଗଲା ଆଉ ସେଟା ରହିବ। Yeah.
Item 32.
My lord,
32.
I am for the petitioner. My lord, after appearance, the opposite party is not coming to court, my lord.
Not coming.
And kindly fix a date for, and direction may be given to present before this court for disposal of the case, my lord.
ଆସୁନି ତ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ତ ଏ advocate କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
Diptimoy Patnaik,
Know that? ମୟୀ କି ମୟ?
Moyer.
ମୟ ପୁଅଟା। ମୟୀ
ଦୀପ୍ତି ନା ପୁଅ ଝିଅ ବି ଅଛି।
ମୟୀ ହେଲେ ଝିଅ ନା ମୟ ହେଲେ ପୁଅ।
ଦୀପ୍ତି ବି ଅଛନ୍ତି।
You know this boy, you know him. Let the registry issue, sorry, registry. Letter for it, parties.
Oh, petition of the notice.
Okay. The petition
Opposite
advocate, petition advocate.
No, petition advocate giving it to petition. Opposite party.
Petitioner,
Opposite.
sorry, opposite party. Registered post. As the advocate engaged by him is not sincerely appearing in the matter.
Interim order was there.
Case case ଲାଗିଲା ଲୋକ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ next ଗୋଟେ ଦେବି ସିଧା next ଦେଖିବି expert order pass କରିବି ଗୋଟେ class this the matter on October 3rd को देବି next
33.
33. Here, my lord, the petitioners have made twofold prayer before lordship that in the club the collector is the ex officio president, but the club misfunctioning and my lord is now control
official function president of what?
of the Vinod Bhavan club.
What is that club for?
The club registered on the Societies Act.
नहीं कौन करे
ସେଥିରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଥିରେ କୋନଟା କଲଚରାଲ ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟିଜ ସେମାନେ କରନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ପୋର୍ସନ ରୋଟରୀ କ୍ଲବ ଫଙ୍କସନ କରେ
collector
Just like Kotak Club and Union Club.
collector की काम ଅଛି
କଲେକ୍ଟର ହଉଛି ସେତେବେଳେ ଥିଲା ବେଳକୁ ବାଇଲରେ ରହିଛି ଯେ ex
ନାଇଁ,
officio
89 ରୁ amendment ହେଇଯାଇଛି. Collector is not. Honorable Justice then DM Patnaik, Justice DM Patnaik was the president.
Then now, my lord, what happened? I have filed petition where the petitioner's election was challenged. Now, in the meantime, this have become infraction. The second prayer is that.
infraction कौन है
नहीं नहीं, second blood done.
21 पर आओ के
Oh, nahi. But now the management now they are putting the secretary is putting the lock. We had opened a liquor shop and Rotary Club is not functioning. The mismanagement is there. So this one's collector is the in charge of the ex officio. The collector, the Hon'Ble High Court has directed the collector to keep the key, keep a watchword, and a watchman was deployed. Now
That
the
is not correct, my lord. Stay as
do
my
one
first.
thing I'm not going to
you also direct the collector.
I am not going to the nitty-gritty of simply
Collector has no
if
role.
you have any grievance approach the collector khatam
You will have
No,
to.
my lord, collector has no role to play.
No, yes.
My lord,
run
my lord, there are 4 writ petitions.
11A is the alternate remedy.
down the city
Yes.
Civil court
yes.
has the jurisdiction. My lord, you
No, no.
consider that is 11A.
11A तो
Again,
Civil court has the jurisdiction.
11A
Ah.
without going to the merit of the case if the petitioner is if the petitioner has any dispute with respect to the
Misfunctioning,
management
malfunction,
of the society
and
or
non-function.
relating to the affairs of the society
Including election.
including
Election.
the petitioner may approach to the civil court senior civil judge as per section 11A 11A court petitioner is granted liberty to approach the appropriate forum.
My lord, that is in respect of one, that is WP of 18,138 of 2000, Well, 17 you will also dispose of. Other 3 writ petitions are there. I'm arguing.
They are what? They are what?
The same, same.
No, not the same.
Say
You
that
are not,
kono-
you have
But
no.
now the secretary,
What?
see to
My-
At once,
Let me place my case that you
Ah,
are not
are-
party in
are-
that
once
case.
you are-
You are not party in that
Yes,
writ
let
petition.
him come down. Let him come complete. Don't disturb.
Okay.
11792.
11768.
1176.
That is the main case, 2004. It is pending till today.
11768 to sarigala.
No, your lordship has disposed of 18138
Oh,
of
acha.
2007.
It kono pri.
Here, my lord, in 2004,
What is this kondu mate? Is this
here the collector directed to close the club.
Any again here we said.
Yes.
No, my lord, that is not.
Same
My,
11.
your lordship,
Not
kindly
this.
hear me.
Same 11,
Kindly,
sir,
kindly
this-
hear.
This court cannot.
My lord, kindly hear me for a moment, my lord. Kindly me. Collector has no role to play. No
He
jurisdiction,
had no
no,
role to
your
play.
lordship, that annexure 7 is to cost, my lord. Because collector has no role to play.
Any dispute to go to.
No, that is collector's
No,
order is to be cost, my lord. Your lordship, kindly hear me. I
Any
will
dispute
side.
will go
Yes,
to
your
the
lordship
court.
is
And-
No, you are not the.
I'm affected.
No, you are not. No, you are not a party.
Yes,
My lord, your lordship,
same-
kindly see.
same
to
order
this.
may be passed.
My, your lordship, kindly see, my lord, your lordship, the impugned order is not substantial, that is without jurisdiction.
What
It
is
is
the impugned order?
impugned order, your lordship, kindly see. Come to annexure 7.
Then my lord, my.
Let me argue my case, you are not party in that case.
Getting into all.
What is the
cases,
impugned order?
I may be
My-
allowed to, my lord, reopen my case. Kindly.
In order
Impugned order
to-
kono?
My lord,
Nothing.
your lordship, kindly
I am
come.
passing order.
So,
Nothing.
your lordship.
Yes.
All
Let
disposal.
let him finish, my lord, I will.
Everybody should go. If
I
my lord is
will,
already.
my lord, I will argue my case, my
Sir,
lord.
in 11 area, you are.
11A is not applicable here, my lord.
It is applicable.
ନାଇଁ, ମୁଁ
What is the
କହୁଛି ମତେ ଟିକେ
dispute? What is
submission
the
କରିବା ପାଇଁ submission କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଦିଅ ତମେ କହିଛ ଯେ ତ କହିବା ପାଇଁ
Please
ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି
sit down. I'm not hearing the matter.
Yes.
What is this?
Very subject.
This
matter.
is not done.
Okay.
I don't like this.
Sorry.
One matter, somebody is.
You are not a party
What
to
is
the
this?
writ
I will
petition.
not hear this matter.
Sorry, my lord, but the matter is subject matter.
Please sit down. I will not hear the matter.
Well.
I don't like this.
My lord,
I am asking you what is the dispute?
impugned
In
order, my
one
lord.
line, tell me what is the dispute. In one line.
That collector
What is the
directed
dispute,
to
sir? What is the dispute? One line. What is the
dispute is that
Ah.
collector is not a member of the club. He has no jurisdiction on the. No, under, my lord, under the statute,
Ah.
collector has directed the sub
The
collector
same thing can
to
be
close the
before
club.
civil judge.
Man, close the club, my lord.
The same thing can be
My
can be
lord,
raised before the civil judge.
that your lordship
No,
is
no,
to
this is not.
no, your lordship is to quash the
Sir, I
impugned order.
cannot.
Well, it is not an election.
I
It is
am
not.
not going
My
to
lord, your
simply
lordship,
I am
I
relegating
here
to
on my
11A.
foreign. I will give it a submission note, my
Okay,
lord.
next. 36
My lord, submission note, your lordship
Please.
grant me some.
within 2 days.
That my lord, my only one
by Wednesday.
one sentence sample submission, my lord.
Yes.
That the collector has no jurisdiction as to pass this order under the
Sir, maybe
statute.
for anything you have 11 days.
That order is to go,
For
my lord.
anything it is 11 days. I preserve the order. Next.
That order is to go, my lord.
Then
Annexure
I'll
80 is
see
to be
that.
quashed.
Order to remain or go, I'll see that. You give your.
I will give the submission note, my lord.
Yes.
By Monday, my lord.
Yes.
Other 2 writ petitions, my lord. Another 2 writ petitions.
All are same nature?
No, that is, my lord, that we are the tenant under the.
That is
We are tenant under the club.
tenant.
Tenant. We have taken the.
The same thing. Again the dispute, any
No.
dispute, any
My-
affairs,
my-
any
they are,
affairs.
my lord,
Please give your notes, sir, हो गया. सबका हो गया matter.
my lord, your lordship kindly. We are tenant, collector directed to
you
close
know
the
very
shop.
well.
Collector
We
is
are-
not
we are-
our
we are
authority.
in trouble only. You know very well what is the solution. You know very well. Still you are saying because.
No,
you find
solution
one.
is here only,
No,
my lord.
no,
My lord, that
no.
without jurisdiction, if an authority, the executive head of the district pass an order closing our club, he has no jurisdiction under statute to close our club, my lord. Therefore, I have come and 2 decisions I am
Okay,
citing, my
give me the
lord.
district. Okay, next set.
34.
34.
34, my lord, I am arguing this matter. I have given,
34?
already given the submission note.
Yes.
I have
Here
also
is the
given the
regulation matter, I am placing the matter.
GPU says.
My lord, this petitioner was engaged as a typist, having intermediate qualification on 1/3/1987. My lord, after completion of 10 years service, he filed a writ petition for regularization of his service. But after this honor court, before this honor court, in OJC number 3736 of 1999, the Opposite party filed a counter
But
affidavit.
at that time, when when he completed 10 years,
Yes.
who was the opposite party? You were Tata Power or something?
No, at that time that Orissa Electricity Board was there.
OSC.
OSC.
Okay. Then
My lord,
Tata-
they filed a counter affidavit.
Then he completed 10 years in which year?
97, 1997.
97.
Yes.
But I think OSCB.
Then 96, 96
up to
circular.
95 OSCB.
No, 96 circular came into force, my lord.
96.
Circular.
Okay.
For regulation of service after completion of 10 years, my lord.
Then
As they did not regularize our service, I filed that OJC number 3736 of 1999 before this honor court.
okay.
Before this honor court, the opposite party filed the counter affidavit stating that there is no post lying vacant. This honor court directed that whenever the post will be vacant, they shall be regularized. Without regularizing they remove
What
from
is the post we are holding? Clerk.
clerk B. Clerk B. They disengaged us, my lord. We filed CUNTR of 45.
Disengaged on which date?
Disposed of, my lord. I have
Disengaged
given
on which date?
disengaged. In the year after the judgment, my lord, disengaged. Particular date I have not.
Which judgment?
This judgment passed by this honor court in OJC number 3736 of 1999. I have annexed with my rejoinder affidavit. My lord, your lordship kindly come to page 63, down in page 63.
Why this? What is the OJC number 3736 was meant for?
Meant for regularization of service.
This is also regulation.
Yes.
Then this court what disallowed?
Then I am placing
This
that.
court allowed or disallowed?
Allowed, my lord.
Allowed.
Directing that whenever the vacancy arises, they shall be regularized.
Whenever vacancy arises.
Vacancy arises in the year
Conditional order.
2006, my lord.
Okay.
They disengage us.
Okay.
After disengagement, we filed the contempt petition before this honor court. In CUNTR 45 of 2022,
What happened in the contempt?
this honor court order dated 27/1/2006 issued the contempt notice to them. While that they have committed the contempt.
Then
Immediately they have engaged us in the skilled under annexure 1. You'll also kindly come to page 17.
next.
Temporary, they engage us immediately as temporary worker skilled against the skilled post, that is against the clerk post, my lord. When, my lord, that they wanted to regularize our service, you'll also kindly come to page 26. They did not regularize my service against the post of clerk. They regularized my service against unskilled post of helper. I challenge that, my lord, before this honor court now.
The High Court said what? If post is vacant, if they didn't have the skilled post, then they had.
The skilled post was there, my lord. They regularized the service of the outsourcing employees. They did not regularize me against the post of clerk.
Where is it there? They regularize the outsourced employees?
Yes, I have annexed it under annexure 9, my lord.
Annexure 9.
Series, yes.
Action 9.
Serial number page 36.
So how do you know that these are outsourced people?
They have admitted that they are outsourcing person.
These are outsourced people?
Yes.
So they have regularized them?
We have regularized under a different scheme. There are two schemes were framed. One for the outsourced employees, those who are working as clerk B, and the other who are working as helpers. He was a helper.
No, I have never.
That is what this footage I have described,
never-
demonstrated everything in my counter as well as in the notes of.
Where is what do you call? The appointment letter.
Appointment.
Engagement order.
Appointment
Let's
letter.
go to the engagement order.
My lord, first engagement order I am giving under annexure 1, page 17, my lord. Skilled teacher.
The temporary worker is skilled.
Yes.
Skilled, my lord. After
But
the
where is it
my lord, that is skilled, my lord, that has been defined. Your lordship kindly come to page 21. Skilled, who are the skilled persons?
Since your lordship is
Let the skill, the category skilled includes operators grade 2, electrical grade 2, operator grade 2, mason grade 2, mitri, toolkeeper, driver, light vehicle, clerk. I was working as a clerk. They have admitted in the counter affidavit.
So he was working as a clerk throughout?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, please. He was working as a clerk throughout.
No. He was not,
What was the nature of job you were performing?
the same, your lordship got it under offer
What
of
is the nature
engagement.
of job you are performing during the entire period?
That I will have to see, my lord.
Yeah, my
because
lord, your
he's
lordship
not-
can pay
He
25.
has not said that because of this.
No. Skill doesn't
Oh,
make any
ବୁଝିଲି
sense.
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା
What
କହୁଛନ୍ତି
kind of
କଣ
work
କାମ
was-
କରୁଥିଲା exact work,
What exactly what
nature
was
of
the
work.
Suppose
is-
you are doing work of clerk for such a long time,
Hmm.
so you can't just relegate to him to
ମୁଁ
work some manual job.
instruction ନଉଛି କିନ୍ତୁ
ନାଇଁ
ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ
Annexure
point
5 ଟା ସାର୍ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ Annexure 5 ରେ before regularization the report was called for from the executive engineer. Executive engineer reported that he is doing the official work.
Where is that report?
The page 25, Annexure 5.
25. What is his name?
My name is Ramesh Chandra Barik. In response to your letter cited above, I am submitting herewith the status report of temporary workers as called therein in
But
favor of.
official work doesn't mean clerk.
That is only clerk I am doing. No other official work. There.
Maybe
Clerk.
peon also.
official work he covers many things.
No, clerk.
Official work, even if
skilled.
peon assisting the
No, official work is skilled only. Official work is the clerk post out only skilled post was available, not peon post.
Annexure 6 ରେ
Mo
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
skilled ରେ engage ହେଇଥିଲି.
NMR division your lordship got it.
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ମୋର ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି NMR ନାଇଁ ମୋର.
Annexure 6
They have admitted my
still continuing or
I have been continuing now.
how many years left?
My lord, still 87, my lord, but perhaps he has been retired in the meanwhile. My lord, I am taking.
But he was regularized in subsequently he was regularized
as helper.
As helper.
I am
How can he
that.
claim? Your lordship after Annexure 1, your lordship may anticipate
I have been working as
he himself has written.
Just a minute. Once a person,
Yes.
he was working as a clerk.
He was acting as a helper. That is
No,
what
never.
I have given my
My lord, they have admitted, my lord, your lordship kindly see, they have admitted in the counter affidavit. I am taking to a paragraph 8 of the counter affidavit. Towards the bottom, the post of clerk B is lying under administrative and clerical classification of SESU, which is not the normal line of promotion for the. Pardon?
Para 8 of the
Para 8 of. Towards the bottom.
8th.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 line from the bottom. The post of clerk B is lying under the administrative and clerical classification of SESU, which is not the normal line of promotion from the post of helper, my lord. I admit so. It is pertinent to mention here that the post of helper is coming under technical and work classification of the OSCB or SESU, now SESU. Hence, the petitioner is eligible and entitled for clerical position.
That
they have admitted.
Again, eligible mane mu kauchi, he is eligible to apply for clerical position. The entire counter is replete. This line cannot be read in
eligible,
isolation.
my lord, I am eligible.
It cannot
I
be read in
am
isolation.
long, my lord, as
he is not. He was acting as helper. This is not a normal
helper
line
from the you have regularized helper. Prior to
it
that,
is
I
not
have
a
never
normal
had.
line of promotion. After writing this, how can he rely upon this? That I have clarified in page 9 of internal page 9 in my counter.
Yes.
Third line.
Yes.
Also we can see.
Paragraph.
Para 14. Page 9 of internal page 9. You'll also make internal page 9 of my counter. Third line. His service has been regularized as helper as per OSCB NMR Workers Observation Regulation 1981. Since the petitioner was continuing as NMR at the time of his regularization in SESU service. In furtherance of the above, an open advertisement was made to fill some more vacancies in the post of clerk B in the year 2011. However, the petitioner has neither applied for the same as a fresh candidate nor as a departmental candidate and repeatedly submitted the petition for automatic regularization.
My regulation order, your lordship kindly see in 2010. I have challenged this regulation in 2010. They have advertised in 2010.
Which you are challenging?
Challenge 2010 order, my lord, order annexure 6, my lord. 11/10/2010 at page 26, my lord. They have regularized me service against unskilled post, my lord. I am placing that, my lord. In pursuant of letter number.
So what is your skill?
Skill while class, your lordship. I have given that notification.
What is your skill?
Semi-skill. Skill means clock.
Skill means clock. कौन है skill टा कौन?
Skill माने
skill कूड़ा.
skilled
Typing is a skill. Clerk is not a skill job.
माने skilled रे को माने अच्छी से पोस्ट
When type करते हैं skill.
ना skilled रे से माने जिमे clerk be skilled, storekeeper is also skilled, mason be also skilled.
Mason तो of course.
अच्छा माने skill include operator grade 2 be skilled. Unskilled को माने नहीं unskilled को माने मैं आपन को देखो जो unskilled है. Unskilled is one which involves simple operation requiring little or not skill or experience in the job. मते तो skilled रे appointment देले under annexure 1. After contempt जेतो issue है ला contempt notice.
Annexure 1 रे आपन को
skill लिखाई ची.
Let's go to annexure 1.
At page 17.
Just. Yeah.
In pursuance of order number 1842.
Just. Annexure 1.
Yes, madam. In pursuance of order.
Just a piece of engagement in compliance with the order and so.
Passed by this notice of OJC number 1.
The High Court of Orissa OJC number have decided to engage you, a temporary worker.
Not temporary to regularize, you will also kindly see the order I have annexed, my lord. First, I am placing that order. Let me complete, you will go.
So, clerical is skill?
Skill
Work.
You will also, I am placing that order of this.
Each submission is. I don't.
Just a minute, definition of skill the clerk jauchi ki.
Had it been so.
Sir, tikke rohandu na bas sundu apna. I will come to you, don't worry.
Clerk mileage jaus.
Skill the clerk code definition code achi.
Well, 21, page 21, annexure 3 last.
21.
Skilled or skilled semi-skilled skilled. Skilled the category skilled includes operator grade 2, electrician grade 2, operator grade 2, mason grade 2, mistri, tool keeper, driver light vehicle, then clerk. Clerk comes under skill post. And I prayed for the.
Just a minute, sir. Tracer, grade 5, grade plumber, pump driver, designer grades, शिक्षा कर्मी, अंगनवाड़ी शिक्षा कर्मी, नर्सरी टीचर, क्लार्क टा कोड पाउनी.
एटा फर्स्ट थर्ड para 3 रे अछि. Page 21 रे 37 internal page 37. Page 21 annex 3 the category skill
typist
नहीं अपन करो clause 3 के आसन पे paragraph for purpose of
paragraph 3 तो अच्छी सर
clerk नहीं कि light vehicle tool keeper driver light vehicle तापर clerk तापर store keeper
telephone operator tracer pipe fitter grader plumber plumb driver designer school teacher clerk कहीं
एटा 3 serial number 3
clause 3 page 37 serial number 3 का पढुची
हां the category skilled
हां skill तो ठीक अछि clerical कोड वर्ड में पाउनी
सेकंड लाइन में
कळा कर दैछि
कळा ही जाई टिके से एटा कळा ही जाई
एकदम मोर एटी पूरा ब्लैक
से तापर
पूरा
से तापर जो हाइलाइटर मार देते से क्लॉक है देखे दो
ठीक है
ठीक है देखे
page 37
ठीक है
now you have retired
I have retired
you are retired now so what you want higher pension because of this काम नौकरी की पेंशन के
previous जो रिटायर फाइल करते
आपण बिना काम करे कितनी पेंशन नेबे
पेंशन ता सेमान भूल करते का प्रीवियस जो रिपिटिशन फाइल करते तो रेगुलरली
पेंशन डिफरेंस केते आसीबो
आज क्लॉक बहुत अछि केते मिनिमम
पेंशन डिफरेंस ता पई मु एते ये करंती नि काहे कि this will have a serious consequences for other employees
आपण जो देले अपॉइंटमेंट देले सेते लिखा हला फील्ड बोली कि
आज्ञा टिके देखंतु पेज 17 टा मु आथर को देखौछ जदी सेटा हेई थांता सेठी प्रथम रु लिखि थांते क्लरिकल ग्रेड बी offer of engagement in compliance of the order dated passed by such and such in pursuance to the order dated such and such you have been engaged आज्ञा प्रथम लिखिले तापर एठी लिखि पारा 1 देखो
post what is the post we have given to him
helper
नहीं
helper is
आज्ञा तापर देखंतु
एटा helper is a skill or not skill
helper ultimate appointment have on skill
helper is a skill
on skill you lordship may kindly see page you lordship may kindly see annexure 6
Sir, just a minute.
page
Jati,
26
Just a minute. You
ଯେତେବେଳେ regularize ହେଲା
Sir, ଟିକେ
sir
don't confuse me.
Sir.
I'm not going to be confused by you.
sir I am not trying I
Skills,
never
देखो,
try also
You have temporary worker skilled.
again
If skilled is there, so if that person is not IIT की sorry ITI की कौन trade कौन से trade नहीं. That means or not neither he is a teacher or something or शिक्षा कर्मी blah blah blah.
again
So ultimately he is as he is saying is a clerk.
स्किल पोस्ट मत रेगुलर
Sir, ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ନା.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ତ ସରିଲା ମୁଁ ଆଉ କାହିଁକି
I am
ମୁଁ
explaining.
ବେଶୀ
ଆପଣ
fresh
ବେଶୀ confuse କଲେ
ମୁଁ ତ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ପ୍ରଥମରୁ
I want
କହୁଛି
to
I have given the notes of argument to
2017 matter ରହିଲେ ଆଉ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ
ଆପଣ
I want to finish it.
I have given my written note
Sir, ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
logically ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଏମିତି written note କଲେ ହେବନି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲେଟର ହେଲା ଲେଟର ଦେଲେ ତାକୁ ସେଥିରେ ଲେଖିଲେ ଯେ ଏଇ ଲୋକକୁ ମୁଁ ଟେମ୍ପୋରାରୀ ୱାର୍କର୍ସ ବ୍ରାକେଟରେ ଲେଖିଲେ ସ୍କିଲ୍ଡ
ତାପରେ ଲେଖିଲୁ he cannot claim regularization one ରେ offer of engagement is purely temporary
that is fine
and will not confer any right for claiming automatic regularization
ଠିକ ଅଛି ସେଗୁଡାକ ପରେ ଆପଣ କଲେ ଫାଇନ୍
ତାପରେ ଏଟାକୁ regularize କଲୁ annexure 6 ରେ
my only question when you have engaged him as skilled labor how could you suddenly change your stand and engage him as an unskilled labor?
that has happened in annexure 6
How
he has not
6?
your lordship may kindly see annexure 6
Yes. What is the annexure 6?
of his order when he was regularized a scheme
nobody,
was
nobody is disputing you have regularized.
we have regularized as unskilled worker your lordship may kindly
Why? When you have engaged him as a skill, how could he suddenly transform to unskilled? That is the question I'm asking.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଥିପାଇଁ different schemes କରାହେଲା
What?
from the-
ଏସବୁ ଗପ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ମତେ ଗୋଟେ ଲଜିକାଲି କହନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ସ୍କିଲ୍ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟୀ ହେଇକିରି ଜଏନ୍ କଲି how could it turn out to be unskilled suddenly?
that was a temporary engagement
What
this
temporary ସବୁ
your lordship may kindly see this order is never under challenge your lordship may kindly again he has accepted all the terms my notes of submission
ସମିଶନ ଟା ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି
notes of submission ଅଛି ଦିଟା he has also filed I have also filed
okay
oblige me
next
your lordship
Item
sorry
35.
ଏଇଟା ପୁରା ଦି ଜଣ ପାଇଁ ଅଛି
that happens.
this is for both sides
Yeah. This is more for this side. Okay, next.
Item 35.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I'm on behalf of Mr. Mahendra Kumar Pradhan. He is for the CRPF, my Lordship, but for unavoidable circumstances, he is unable to.
Lordship, this is third time. Past year they did not come. Second year came. Now this is again.
Lordship, he is out of town.
What is the case?
Well, on the identical charge, both departmental proceeding and criminal proceeding was going. In departmental proceeding, I have been removed.
For the CRPF.
Yes,
He is
ma'am.
for the CRPF. I am removed in the expert inquiry, my lord. Same witness complainant examined in the criminal case, I have been acquitted. So the acquittal have a consequence. I have also given the judgment.
A person may have been acquitted in a criminal case. That doesn't mean that the same person will be acquitted departmental.
Identical charge I have given.
Always there is a, I mean,
No,
different.
but that is identical.
See, sometimes acquittal may be due to lack of evidence.
Well,
Sometimes
well,
it may be due to
he has examined. This
due
is the
to
case.
the
In the criminal case, the complainant was examined. Thereafter, the prosecution failed.
Okay.
In this case, departmental not examined. I am କଲା କରୁନି ମୁଁ ନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ତିନି ଥର ହେଲା ମୁଁ ବସି ବସି କରୁଛି
ଆଉ ଆଉ ଥରେ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ ଦିନ ଗଲା ଆଉ
ଲୋକଟା
ଜଲ୍ଦି ସରିବ ମୋର
ଚାକିରି ନାହିଁ
ଅଲଗା
ନା।
କୋଉଠି ଗଲେ ଜଲ୍ଦି ସରିବନି
ମୁଁ ତ ସରିଯିବ ବୋଲି ଭାବୁଛି
ଆଉ
every day I am expecting that matter will be closed today.
Yes,
This is third time.
My Lordship, 1 month after.
One month.
What? क्या कर रहे हो?
My Lordship, actually, he is out of
क्या
town.
तमर आउट ऑफ कौन यूरोप अमेरिका पड़ पड़े तो सीनियर कोड ये अमेरिका
No, my Lordship, he is in Delhi.
डेली तो आसिबे को आजु करियो एते समय देबी नाले यू गेट रेडी you can argue what is the problem
Sector one out give us.
get ready no singular singular now I'm forcing you to argue. If your senior is not there, there is no excuse. You have to argue. No,
My
no,
lord,
I'll
2
help you.
weeks after, my lord.
I'll help you. Next week. Get ready. Read it. Huh? 19th করছি 19th ହେଲା 19th get ready if you senior not there no problem go okay next
36.
36
And for the petitioner, your lordship, here I have challenged order of the learned tribunal. The fact of the case is that
what is the award learned tribunal which tribunal
learned claims tribunal.
claims tribunal
Yes, your lordship. The
claims tribunal টা আমি ঠিক আছে
compensation matter.
claim tribunal অগস্ট থেকে ডিবি দিবা কথা
Compensation matter আছে না?
Compensation.
হ্যাঁ কম্পেন রেলওয়ে ক্লেম ট্রাইব্যুনাল ডিবি দিবা ঠিক আছে
Compensation matter ଅଛି. Assignment ଅଛି.
check kar yes ରଖୁନ କଣ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଚିପକିକି ରଖୁନ ଗୋଟେ ଏଭ୍ରି ଟାଇମ୍ ଦେଖୁଥିବ ଅଲଗା
Compensation matters ଗୁଡା ଥିଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଏଠି mention କରିଛି.
ନର୍ମାଲ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ଯୋଉ ରେଲୱେ ଲାଇନ ରେ ସଫା ହେଇଯାନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା ମାନେ
Claims tribunal against us. Claims tribunal against us.
କ୍ଲେମ୍ ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁନାଲ ଆମର ନାହିଁ ହେଲା that will be placed before the next
Item 37.
37
No counter filed in this case. This is a case of internal seniority. But the office notice, the opposite party notice from open number 8, return answer was left, has been transferred, I think. So.
What is the
case-
matter about?
Letter is my lord, the
I have got the draft counter. We'll be filing the counter.
seniority. All
And,
through.
and the notices has to be, because the opposite parties are to be affected parties.
notice ଯାଇନି
नहीं जाइए से on return OP 8 पाखुर फेरी
you take a fresh note but ଏଇ ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଅଫିସ ଆଡ୍ରେସ ସେ ଅଫିସ ଆଉ ଥିବେ
से जो जॉने ट्रांसफर ही जाओ ना पर AD not back. Only notice could not be served on OP 8 as per report of this registry.
ବାକି ସବୁ ସବୁ
ଆଉ ସବୁ ନାହିଁ 4, 9, 10 other ସମସ୍ତ ସର୍ଭ ହେଇଛି 4, 9, 10 ରେ AD not back. AD normally never come back. That can be made sufficient. Registry post notice ନେଇଥିବ.
notice sufficient for ଦେଖିଲ
Is sufficient.
AD not back only.
4, 9 और 10 ऊपर sufficient है.
ହେଇନି ବାକି ସବୁ sufficient
आगे.
4 9 10 କୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ attempt ନିଅ
ତାହେଲେ 4, 8,
Take one
9, 10. 4, 8, 9, 10.
4 8 9 10 that fresh notice we issue to 4 8 9 10 this is the matter 1st October
Wow.
Counter.
in the meantime
Yes,
you
yes.
file a count
Yes.
in the meantime Lord Council the state to file a count and solve an advance copy on the concept form and regender if any we file 1 week thereafter the file this is the matter of 1st October
First.
next
38.
8
Prisoners working as initially appointed in the rehabilitation assistant team under Odisha Mining Corporation as a junior executive assistant.
you are appointed as under rehabilitation
As a junior executive assistant. So in the appointment order, it was marked as contractual. So consolidated remuneration. 7,000.
Well, the OMC council is not up there.
Let him
हाँ
Let him
7,000 हाँ 7,500 किंतु हमको आई गॉट अपॉइंटमेंट 2015 किंतु हमरो कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल नाही ओएमसी रो सर्विस कंडीशन सेपरेट सो पेज क्लॉज 7.5a दिस सेटा खाली दिस इज आंसर मुई रिजेंडर रे देछि हमर कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल हमर हो जो रेगुलर स्केल इरेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द अपॉइंटमेंट 7.5 दिस सेटा ही से कहउछन हां ठीक है हमें पर्टिकुलर से स्केलटा हमर कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल नाही कंसोलिडेटेड नो
छोट छोट अक्षर क्यों पड़ियो से काच
sorry sir eligible applicants of unskilled semi-skilled skilled category shall be considered for appointment under rehabilitation assistance scheme in the entry level post of appropriate
पढ़
cadre
दूछन केला
हां
बिना चश्मा रे एते छोट छोट अक्षर आपण क्लियरिटी थिबो मोर तो टिके ब्लड अस मुई पढ़ी
sir तेरे सब्जी बेसी खाइले बढ़ जियो सब्जी टिके अधिका खाइले
कोन मोटो अधिक सब्जी खान मोटो अधिक सब्जी
sir RS scheme in the entry level post of appropriate cadre sub cadre as per recruitment promotion rules for non-executive 2012. However, eligible applicants of high skilled category shall be considered for appointment in a special post in the scale of 5,200 to 20,200 grade pay 2,200.
ये कोड लिखी थी आपण रेगुलर ही
हाँ मतलब मोर पेज माने अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर लिखि देले पेज 12 रे रीट रे कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल किंतु कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल रे सी काउंटर रे भी देई चंती जे काउंटर रे
सो आपण को कहउछथि आपण ग्राउंड
हाँ ग्राउंड होची जे इंस्टेड ऑफ द कंसोलिडेटेड रेम्युनरेशन द रिवाइज्ड पे इन टर्म्स ऑफ रूल 74 बी रिफिक्स्ड सेति
ये रूल 7 टू स्कीम टा कोन आडा
सेटा होची ओडिशा माइनिंग कॉर्पोरेशन रिक्रूटमेंट एंड प्रमोशन रूल 2012
एटे कोट लिखा है
अबे तंग मु से रूल टा पेज
पढ़ंतु
आज्ञा पेज 6 रे ओडिशा माइनिंग कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड रिक्रूटमेंट एंड प्रमोशन रूल्स फॉर नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव 2012 एनेक्स 12 पेज 6 रे से वाला 7 पेज 12 रे हां 7.5a eligible applicants of unskilled semi skilled and
आपण को कैटेगरी
आमे हो हाई स्किल्ड
ओके कोन आला ताबरे
eligible applicants of unskilled semi skilled and skilled categories shall be considered for appointment under RS scheme rehabilitation assistance scheme in the entry level
post of appropriate cadre sub cadre as per RNP rules for
non-executive 2012.
However, eligible applicant of the high skilled category shall be considered for appointment in a special post. ये कोड लिखा है जब रेगुलर करा है
नहीं रेगुलर नहीं मतलब रेगुलर नहीं से जो स्केल टा हमको न देगी कंसोलिडेटेड दे देली
आपण स्केल कथा लिखिछि
से स्केल टा पर 5,200 हां 5,200 रु 20,200 माने अन्य मानको देई चंती पेज
you on scale only
हां स्केल शक्ति खाली
so you don't seek regularization
नो नो नो
only
से रेगुलेशन से 8 वर्ष पर कर देछन से पीरियड टा हां कर देछन से इन बिटवीन पीरियड टा
कोड 8 माने जो
ए जो 15 हां 15 हम रेगुलर करले 20 रे ए 5 वर्ष 30 6 20 रेगुलर करले
वो आसंतु
हां आसंतु
पास में ओएमसी ए ओएमसी रे की अछि
मैं से अपीयर करिसंती माय लॉर्ड
एते अपीयर करछन परा
अपीयर कर
लिखा है जे अपीयर
की अछि
माय लॉर्ड सितरे अछंती मिस्टर ए होता एसपी पंडा मनोज कुमार पटनायक ही इज डेड तांको झियो अछंती एस पटनायक
जन्मजय कटकिया इज अछंती
कॉल ना एनी ऑफ देम जा ना अछि त डाकी दियंतु सब बेले नॉन जते बेले नॉन
काउंटर टा दे दीजे
ओमसी रा के तर हेड के
माने मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर
the managing director OMC to be present on the next date of listing, since the advocates engaged by the said corporation are found to be absent on each date of listing. On the last date of listing on 8/8/2024 also, none appeared in the matter. Hence, the managing director will argue the matter on the next date of listing. Laga. This the matter on 26th. ନିଜେ argue କରିବେ ସେ। ଯେତେବେଳେ matter ଏଇଟା ଛୋଟିଆ matter 2019 5 ବର୍ଷ ବସିଛି। ଛୋଟ small issue।
Small issue.
2 minute ସରିବ। Let him argue the matter.
Sir.
ଦେଖିବ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ମେନସନ କରି ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ଆସିବି ଦେଖ ଅର୍ଡର ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ
Sir.
ଦେଖିବ ପକ୍କା ଆସିବ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଆସିବ ଅର୍ଡର ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବ ଅର୍ଡର ଆଉ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବି କହିଦେବେ ତାଙ୍କ ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିବେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 39.
39
Passover.
Passover. Pass. Okay. Next 40.
Item 40.
Item 40, your lordship may
My lord, in
request that
39, petitioner had to give some instructions.
39
39, petitioner.
ନାହିଁ ତ ଆଉ କଣ କରିବି
Passover.
Passover କରିବି Passover 40
Item 40, that batch of writ petitions filed by the contractual drivers for regularization.
এটা under the ST.
Yes, your lordship.
In my case, counter.
Yes, my lord, in two writ petition.
ଗୋଟେ ବି କୋଉ କେସ୍ ରେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଲିଡ୍ କାଉଣ୍ଟର
ତିନିଟା କେସ୍ ରେ
ଟାଇମ୍
counter file
2020 ବି ଚାଲିଛି
Regional review government.
ତିନିଟା କେସ୍ ରେ ମୁଁ counter file କରିଛି ସବୁ matter ରେ ସେ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ଆପଣ note of submission କହିଥିଲେ ଦବା ପାଇଁ।
କାଉଣ୍ଟର ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର
My lord କହିଥିଲେ।
Last order.
ଆଜ୍ଞା କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଦେଲେନି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଆପଣ
counter ତିନିଟା କେସ୍ ରେ ସେ ଆଗରୁ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି
ତ ନେଇ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ
କେବଳ first case ରେ council change ହେଇଛି
ବାହାରିନ ଫାଇନ୍ ଫାଇନ୍
Mainly counter, I want counter.
ସାର୍ ଏତେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର କରନ୍ତୁ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଫିଟନେସ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଆଗାମୀ କରନ୍ତୁ ଫଟାଫଟ नो फर्दर आर्गुमेंट तो छाड़ काउंटर ରିଜେଣ୍ଡ 4 वर्ष ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ବସିକି ଚାଲିଛି କଣ 2 ମିନିଟ 2 नो ଏବେ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରନ୍ତୁ नो
Your lordship, in WPC number 2156,
କାଉଣ୍ଟର ରିଜେଣ୍ଡ କରି ଲମ୍ବି ଲମ୍ବି ଚାଲିଛି ମ୍ୟାଟର କଣ
in WPC number
ଛୋଟିଆ
21,
ମ୍ୟାଟର 2 ମିନିଟରେ ସରିବ ତାକୁ 4 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି
Case re
तारीख पे तारीख हाँ ଆଉ କଣ ଏଟା ହେଇଛି
last.
बेस्ट क्लासिक एग्जांपल ऑफ तारीख पे तारीख
and first case ରେ ସେ written note ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
हाँ
council change ହେଇଗଲେ
ଆପଣ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରନ୍ତୁ କଣ
your
ଆପଣ
lordship,
will not be prejudiced let me tell you I will hear you both the side pass counter ରିଜେଣ୍ଡ ନହେଲେ କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁ what is your best point 1 2 3 4 like this go
due process re selection ହେଇଛି
okay when was the selection what are the selection how was the selection tell me
So, Annex 3,
there was advertisement or through employment action
it's by way of an office order.
due process କେମିତି ହେଲା ବାବୁ
ସେଥିରେ ORB
Office order ରେ କିଛି due process ହେଲା?
it's their reply only, state's
I am
reply.
asking on in
Yes.
what way they were appointed କିଛି advertisement ହେଇଥିଲା employment exchange ରୁ ଆସିଥିଲା
ମୁଁ ଟିକେ brief କରି ଦଉଛି ସେ
office
point
order
ଟା
ରେ କେମିତି appoint କଲେ ସେଟା ପଚାର
ସେ point ଟାକୁ ଟିକେ brief କରି ଦଉଛି
କେମିତି ହେଲା ଖାଲି କହ
ହଁ
procedure for appointment procedure କେମିତି ହେଲା
କହୁଛି your lordship. ସେ
ଆପଣ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
ନା ନା prepare ଅଛି, your lordship fully prepared, your lordship fully prepared. The fact remains, the state transport agency,
how was the recruitment done who basis ରେ recruitment ହେଲା ସେଟା କଣ
recruitment ହେଲା because finance department concur ଦେଲା for appointment of 14 number of drivers.
ସେ କନକର ପୂର୍ବ କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁ
concur ପୂର୍ବ କଥା ହେଲା there were
କେମିତି ଆସିଲେ ଆପଣ
because of lack of drivers.
କେମିତି ଆସିଲେ କୋଉ ବାଟରେ ଆସିଥିଲେ ପଛ ପଟ ନା ଆଗ ପଟ ସେଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ
no advertisement
advertisement ନାହିଁ process ରେ ଆସିଲେ
ବ୍ୟାକଡୋର ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହଁ ତ ବ୍ୟାକଡୋର ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ଆଇଲେ ଆପଣ ତାପରେ
backdoor entry ରେ ଆସିଲୁ କାମ କଲୁ regularize କଲେ 6 ବର୍ଷରେ ଇଏ କଲେ ଆମକୁ grade pay ବି ବଢେଇକି ଦେଲେ subsequently ତାପରେ ସେ
regularization
yes your lordship Annexure 10 को मु टिके I invite my lord's kind attention, page 28 and 29. The
sanction post थिला
हाँ sanction post थिला. Yes, finance department concurrence दला. आमे काम भी कलो 6 वर्ष. 2013 regulation हिसाब रे regularize करिया कथा. से जिनस कलेनी से निजे admit करूचंती.
तांकर एबे जदी गाड़ी नथिबा आपण रेगुलर
ना गाड़ी अछि पा एबे यूज अछि आमे काम करूचो.
करछन
Yes.
समझते
हाँ हाँ.
By virtue of interim order, status quo.
कोड देछि
Again, there is many of post कि नहीं कोनांती अपन का आरटीओ गाड़ी दरकार नहीं. आरटीओ निजे चलेबे.
सब तो सरकार
ना तांको proposal
गाड़ी आउटसोर्सिंग
With
चलछि
driver.
entire the secretariat all these officers are using outsourcing गाड़ी
But
driver
lots
outsource गाड़ी भी outsource सब देखिबे सब गाड़ी रे माने सब गाड़ी outsourcing
additional commissioner proposal टे भी move कले. तांकर ही own guidelines थिला. Page 12 annex 2 रे कहले in this context if any base level vacant post is essentially required. Not already submit कर सकछि. ना खाली गोटे मिनिट खाली your lordship गोटे मिनिट खाली lordship. Page 29. नहीं देछि lordship देछि खाली page 29 टिके. नहीं page 29.
मंडे सेइ दिन देखे दिला
हां हबो.
काउंटर कॉपी टे मते काउंटर कॉपी टे
काउंटर कॉपी दे दे
अडॉप्ट करियोली मेमो दे दो
अब मंडे रेडी अपन जा फाइल करे त फाइल कर मंडे तक देलिए
से गोटे जिनस स्टेट कहउचंती जे आमे हाई पावर कमिटी रे काटी देलु बोली 2014 गाइडलाइन को बाद देके
पावर पछे
आगे
गिव मी नोट
lordship already filed.
मंडे पर आ कोन से टाइम
I have already filed your
okay no further time shall be granted to any of the party on the next date of listing hala
lordship.
next
काउंटर
काउंटर दे दो सर मते कहीं मांगु सर से तक मांगु ना ऑर्डर कहीं काउंटर
दी थोर दिया
ई कथा आपण मानक भीतर दिया नि गुटे कोर्ट ऑर्डर दबो सबुतिर मध्यवर्ती मते बनो
मेमोटा अडॉप्ट करियोली देबे ना
आई वाज ऑन ट्रायल
मुन दे दी
यू आर फाइटिंग एंड पुटिंग मी ऑन ट्रायल
ओके सर WPC 2162 रे देछि
आपण दिया नि आवंतु आ मते पंतु नि
को काउंटर अडॉप्ट
Counter copy, sir.
next item
I'm solving the
Item
counter copy.
41.
okay
He may file it if he so wants.
Lord Constable the लिख दी था state has submitted the counter copy on petitioner
Petitioner.
I'm petitioner.
এটা কো কেস রেটা
41.
পূর্ব কেস
नहीं
ना, ना.
41.
পূর্ব কেস ভাবিছিল
ना ना ये तो ट्रायल को नहीं ना
41
आगे
ना एका संग गोटे बैच अछि से किछि छोट इशूटा धरि कि बैक फोर चल 2 मिनिट रखड़ नेक्स्ट 99% of the cases will hardly take 5 minutes to finish 1% may be here and there
counter they have filed the counter but copy
copy I am solving in the
पुणी काउंटर चक्कर अछि एटी
she
copy टा भी in the counter
Lord Constable petitioner to file the rejoinder within 1 week from today list the matter on 26th for final hearing
mail
no further time shall be granted to any of the parties
mal
next
42.
the parties are requested to submit the written note of submission on the date of argument hala
sir
next
my lord in this matter 42 you lordship the director us to get the instruction why 51 months CCR has been taken into account and why not 5 years I need some 10 days time
list the matter on 3rd October on the request of Lord Constable the state list the matter on 3rd October next
3rd October your lordship
3rd
my lord
Item 43.
I'm sorry to say
that matter that the CCR
yes
सही मान
your lordship
ये कौन एते दिन लगौछन
नहीं आसी जीव आज मु ताको काली कथा कोन करिवे कोन
एते दिन मासे
आसीयो देइछन तो समय काई पुणी है
स्मॉल मैटर
हाँ आसी गोटिए तो तासे सरीबो
ओबले ठीक
my lord
43
this matter may come up on Monday
43.
I know he has come from
he has come from Delhi
no he was there he is our man in Delhi
airfare if he wants to
my lord myself my mood is in difficulty
आपन सरकार देबो
mood is in difficulty
हां
मोर देह टिके आज खराब अछि
mood is there
हां
कौन है
एडा Monday आसु
what is the matter
some demolition matter I think so
the land which is
been acquired with the state. That matter is also before your lordship tomorrow.
Drug,
No, the drug license is not.
drug license.
And the matter is coming up tomorrow for lordships regarding that 8A compliance not being done by the Tahsildar.
Monday class.
Tomorrow.
Monday class moon day.
Moon kona gale?
ଦେହ ଟିକେ ଖରାପ ଅଛି ନା ଆଜି ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି।
One is drug license, the other is the OPL Act. OPL Act is matter is coming up.
ତ ଆପଣ ଦେଖି ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି। କଣ
ଏଇଟା
ଆପଣ-
he has specially instructed to do. He is no big post.
2 weeks.
ଏଇ ସୋମବାର ନା ଆସୁ ଟିକେ କାରଣ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ଟା କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ
I
କରୁଛି।
have to accommodate him also.
ହଁ
He's coming
ତ
tomorrow.
କେବେ ଆସୁଛୁ ଆର ୱିକରେ?
18th.
Okay, 18.
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଏପଟକୁ ହେଇପାରିବି?
18 ଆପଣ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ କାଉନସିଲିଂ ଭଲ ଦେହ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଦେହ ଲମ୍ବା ଯଦି ଖରାପ ହେଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ
You will also recover
from the
time to recover also.
from the what do we say the safe side 18 not be inconvenience to anybody.
ମୁଁ ତ କହିଥିଲେ ତ ସୋମବାର
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରେ କଲି ସେ 18 ରହିଲା।
Request all after. This is the matter on 18th. Next. Okay.
May I only pray, my lords, let it come on 5th, my lords. I'll just file a short affidavit on that regard, my lords. Certain facts have to be brought up, my lords.
Intimate the other side.
I'll intimate you, lord.
That is order only. It is not reserved in that sense. It is not reserved. Order पे खाली होगा.
Lordship.
I'll say during the course of the day. I have already completed, but the thing is, since you want to add something.
My lords.
Not to be mentioned. It's simply like that.
Grateful.
Yes.
2 PM matter. Item 45.
Sir, to be very frank, one thing, let me tell you. This court is not the recovery agent for any party. Simply, what is the order passed by this, what is this? State Consumer Forum. So that, because of that order, I entertain it. Now I am just relegating it to the state consumer forum. Say bujhe, apna bujantu. I am not going to unnecessarily.
One submission. Before your lordship, before your lordship,
May I submit?
Sir, let me,
Please,
let's. My lord,
Lot of allegations
before
that-
before your lordship can.
I am not doing anything, sir.
No, your
Simply I am
lordship can
relegating.
delegate, your lordship can always delegate the power.
lords-
It is your lordship desire to delegate or not. But before that, your lordship just go through the, because 8 months
I
since
am
January
I am
till
not
today in
going
September.
to, sir, one thing.
My lords,
Because-
may I submit, my lords, with great respect to my
Supreme Court,
lordship,
in one of the judgments, recently I was going through one judgment. This is the why I think.
my lords, with
It
great
says-
respect.
Why should the High Court be
Yes,
like a
deeply
recovery?
obliged by
DJ,
virtue of the
itna
suo
de
motu
that-
proceeding.
Utna de de, tu kal de de. parso
Yes.
de de. Why should I
It's
do all
not
this?
your
So my
lordship
humble
duty.
submission.
Your lordship cannot do it. Your lordship cannot do it.
You are not supposed
Because
to.
whether your lordship direction is, whether the writ petition is maintainable or not, that is the main thing.
My lords,
My respectful submission, my lord, it is not maintainable. Your lordship,
my lords,
by making false statement, incorrect
Please.
statement, misleading the court, he has to obtain the order.
my lords.
Now, after obtaining the order,
Okay.
he has passed. Merely he has
Allow
passed.
Mr. Rai to
Yes,
say.
my lord, with great respect to my lordship, it is a country governed by the rule of law. I'm standing here to withdraw all my writ applications on the ground, my lords. There is a statutory appeal to the National Forum. Now, in view of the statutory appeal, which will attain its finality before the National Forum, and there is only a question of law that is to be raised, I will only take my lordships to 2 pages of the brief where there's an arbitration clause at the time of giving up them forms to buy the property, and they got into an agreement where it categorically states, in the event of any dispute, the matter shall be referred to an arbitrator.
Then the matter ends then.
The
Why
matter
should I go-
ends there.
Why should I go?
And I'll go to the National Forum. I want to withdraw all my writ
We
applications.
have not come before your lordship. They have come along with this.
Therefore, I'm
arbitration
withdrawing.
clause. So now, at any point of time, they cannot also withdraw. There are so many decisions are out there.
Another thing, sir, before all these things are fine. but at the same time, your client, Mr. Rai, is not.
I will come to it,
Not
Milord.
honest in his approach.
No, I will tell you,
He
Milord.
has to pay back the gullible investor.
Milords, I have, by virtue of my lordship's order, I have paid them 57 lakhs, which I am repenting. Why, Milords?
But out of how much? Out of
Milords, out of whatever was decided,
out of what amount? What is the amount out of?
3 lakhs each.
3 lakh.
Why I say so, I'll come to
That's a
it.
huge amount.
No, I'll come to it. Wait.
Kindly see this instruction, my lord.
Are please wait.
Yes,
Mr.
yes.
Agarwal, learn to wait.
Yes, I am.
Yes.
Because court is asking.
No, I'm withdrawing. Where is the question of looking
I'm
to the
not
brief?
Withdraw. Why you made me unnecessary to run to the court?
Who has made you unnecessary? I.
You made allegation against me.
Sir,
I made it. I'm appearing today for the first
Anyway,
time.
Your client. You means your client.
petition, sir.
He's not. What is the total amount due?
Milords, the
Near
total
about, so
amount,
far as my clients are concerned, near about 12 crores or
30 crores,
that is a
not
separate.
12 crores, out of which
So,
the Enforcement Directorate, Milords, has seized by 4 crores and all the accounts are stopped. And that is at Calcutta, not within the jurisdiction of my lordship. And I had taken money from X on an agreement. How would the Enforcement Directorate, for whom I am a lawyer, they can seize my account, and what authority? That is not the proceeds of the crime. If it is not the proceeds of the crime, I take from my lordship.
Simply contractual matter.
Exactly.
Simply contractual.
It is a contractual matter.
No, you are floating a scheme. And that's
No.
floating-
In this
scheme has-
aspect, let it attain its finality. All that I'm saying,
Investment scheme, sir.
Milord, my lordship would only turn to page 7.
bound to be governed by.
Milord, my lordship only turns to page 7. That is all. Page 7 of my reply, which I've given, Milords. If I want, I'll give another copy to my lordship. Here. Again. Yeah. Page 7. Only page 7. Page 7 of the brief. Running page 7. Para 12. Page 7, para 12.
Your client is from Odisha.
Yes, my lords, with great respect. I have the highest regard for my lordship. My lordship sees. Further, it is humbly submitted that as per the indenture of agreement dated 5/5/2011 for allotment of flats, it is clearly stipulated.
It's basically a flat allotment.
Yes. Land allotment. My lordship only sees these
But
two
how
clauses.
the West Bengal people purchased here?
They came from West Bengal and purchased it. And we have given, we have given 512 possession.
Anyway, just.
You know nothing and you are talking.
You know nothing.
My lord,
Sorry, you don't know nothing.
my lord, my learned fingerprint. My learned fingerprint is showing a document.
I am not going to do here in this way. Just asking, I have some doubts.
Yes.
So the first thing is.
512 have already taken possession and registered on record.
That is in Odisha.
In Odisha. Registered in Orissa on record. It was in 2011. Now they filed it in after 10 years. Barred by limitation, hopelessly barred by limitation.
But if you don't
None of the cases will thrive, Milord.
don't deliver them.
Milord, by virtue of
cause of action, how can you limit
Milord, by
it?
virtue of arbitration clause, section 5 and section 8.
I'm not going to anything.
My lord, only one thing.
I'm withdrawing all the matters.
My lord, your lordship, before withdrawing a matter, my lord, your lordship, please hear me one for a second, my lord.
When I want to withdraw,
Anytime, they cannot. My lord, my list of dates, your lordship. After expiry, sorry.
Whether he will comply my lord's order or not. Your lordship.
where is I'm going? I'm seeking for an
July, your
alternative
lordship has
remedy.
directed them to file hundreds of crores of rupees he has collected, my lord. Your lordship kindly see this instruction.
Statutory remedy.
Your lordship,
They made allegation against me because we have attached his account. He is unable to pay the amount. Now he is saying, I don't know about the case.
That you do whatever you
Do
want.
whatever you want to.
That's a different question.
I'm
But
not-
he's making a false allegation against
I want to withdraw.
My lord,
Only
only,
I'm saying, forget it all this.
only one thing, my lord.
When I'm withdrawing, what is the problem?
Why are you
Let him withdraw.
You cannot withdraw at any point of time.
Let him
As per
withdraw.
your-
Question
There
is-
are several judgments.
Please,
In fact,
please.
I am not going to.
My lord, one line I'll submit, let him withdraw,
Ah.
but question is whether he will comply my lord's order or not.
Yes.
On
That's all.
10th
That
July,
cannot be
on
adjudicated.
10th, please,
What is the last order?
on
That's
10th
it.
July,
July.
your lordship kindly see 10th July order, para 9. I have nothing to say, my lord, whether he will comply my lord's order or not.
Yes,
It has
that's all.
been complied with.
It has not been.
Then agitated before the appropriate forum, before the
The
national
order
court.
was passed by this honorable court.
Yes, I've complied with.
Please. Para 9 again, whether he will comply my lord's order or not.
My lordship says paragraph 5, page 4. Page 4, paragraph 5.
You have just filed that affidavit.
Yes, on affidavit, and that too prior to my lordship's order.
What is the-
It is on 20th of August.
Where is
No,
that?
no affidavit.
No affidavit has been served upon
Where is
us.
that? Where is- I will not have it.
No affidavit has been served upon us, my lord.
How will it be served when you are staying in Calcutta?
So what?
Okay.
My
So what?
advocate on record is here. Mr. Arun Nag is here.
Give me that.
Give me one more.
No, you are not a party to
I
the
am also
proceeding.
party by
No.
orders of the court.
Might be, you are not pleaded as a party.
Not necessary to be.
Oh.
Sir, I'm just, please.
My lord, I just seeking a
If you
copy.
don't allow me to, then
shouting me
I'm
like
just
this.
simply, I'm will dismiss it. Nothing, I'm not going to do.
Your lordship may dismiss it. He's shouting like as if I have come to this court today.
Yes,
Outside.
appears like that.
All this you do outside, not here. I'm protecting everyone.
My lord,
No, this is not.
your lordship knows I
I
never.
don't tolerate this kind of
That's, I know my lord.
No, I
I know
am
my.
the king in my court. Nobody can dictate me.
Yes, my
That's
lord.
all.
I know my lord that. But the way my friend said.
No, Bilkul, nobody should say anything.
Yes.
I will decide in my own way. This is not done.
That-
Only one submission, your lordship record, that writ petitioner cannot withdraw at any point of after expiry of 8
It's
months.
the court, I want to dismiss it.
Very well. That is your lordship direction. But your lordship, please record my submission right in that way.
Show me the arbitration clause in the
Yes,
agreement.
page 7, running page 7.
In this document.
Yes. Page 7, my lords.
No, your agreement, I'm saying.
Yes, I've quoted it, my lord.
No, where is that?
Yeah, I've annexed it also.
Where is that?
And that is at page, my lordship sees, I've annexed it, my lords, at annexure 1. My lordship sees page 24.
Page 24.
Page 24. 57, serial number 57. Then my lordship.
I didn't find it. Where is the arbitration?
Page 24.
Page?
24 of my
Petition.
of my this written note affidavit. Page 24 of my affidavit. '57, serial number 57. All the disputes and differences between the parties pertain to any other matter connected with the flat or in this agreement or any other dispute, it is specifically agreed and accepted in consonance by the second party that the case.
My lord, only one thing. My lord, your lordship, please come to page 16.
Page 14.
Page 16. Page 16.
Page 14.
Page 16 of the agreement. Page 16 of the agreement. Whose agreement is this?
1 sec, my lord, page 14, my lordship sees.
To
At the
Mr.
time of
Vijay
filling
Kumar
of the
Ray.
application.
He is not the opposite party in any of the writ petition.
But all of your
I've signed this. Yes.
just all of the persons who have invested, they must have entered into an agreement.
Yes. Yes.
So in your agreement must be an arbitration clause.
I am accepting, my lord, but we have not
Then
come
how
before
does
this.
it matter whether these
My lord, we have not come before the honorable court. We have we went to the state commission.
As for the petitioner 6-2 withdraw the writ petition in order to explore the alternative remedy available to him.
Deeply obliged.
This code allow the withdrawal of the petition. That's the author. You explore the opportunity.
The National Forum.
Wherever
My
you
lordship,
want.
right. My lord,
So
I'm
your
not
lordship
saying
is-
anything. I'm not saying anything.
Acha, okay, as my lord.
You explore your alternative remedy.
Alternative remedy.
Your lordship is
Statutory
seems to be
alternative
disposing
My
disposing
lordship would
or with
say that because
giving liberty
the
to withdraw.
Supreme
And
Court.
so far as the interim,
Ah.
no, my lord. That is there.
They all, because see, what I felt, if this is endless process.
Yes.
If you start interfering, you this pay this much, this is not my duty. The read code is not supposed to do all these things.
I know, my
Because
lord.
at that point of time that there is mentioned, there are some difficulties. So I thought, okay, I should. But later I realized
That interim order
It is
continued for
endless.
8 months.
It is endless.
My persons
But
are
my
those who
lord,
are 90
with
years
the-
old.
With the liberty
They
to
are
Mr.
they have
Balaji,
lost
I
9.
wanna tell your client, whatever money they
my
owe,
my
they
lord,
let them
I
pay.
would abide what my lordship says. My lord, my humble submission
unnecessary-
with the liberty to move the appellate forum. That is all my lordship would say. With the liberty to move the appellate
I have said appropriate forum.
liberty, with the liberty
Not
to.
required to be written.
My
everything.
lordship would only
That-
write
My
that.
lord, then, my lord, if that liberty is given, so you will go to the appellate
You can
forum.
go to arbitration, you can go to wherever you want to go.
No, no,
That's
agreed.
why I'm saying appropriate forum.
Appropriate forum. Obliged. Deeply obliged. my lord.
Okay, next slide.
Item 11.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Item 11, my lord. May I pray a week time?
My lord, my only submission, condone delay if any be condoned. That is all.
The approach is this. If the petitioner approaches the appellate forum or appellate forum / or
National forum.
arbitration or invoke arbitration clause,
But
any delay due to the pendency of this case, the case before this court may be considered liberally. Condoned liberally.
And your lordship is allowing them to go to arbitration.
I have he may go to hire for appellate forum or arbitration, whatever he wants to. I don't know. I
Your
said
lordship
appellate
don't-
forum /
My lord,
arbitration.
your lordship don't allow them to take that advantage from this court, since your lordship is
Appellate forum, arbitration cut diya.
That's-
appellate forum.
appellate forum is the same problem, my lord. He will
If my lords will pass that order that delay be considered, my lord, on that ground now matter will be delayed and the poor people will suffer, my lord.
so, my lord, only
Poor
simply see
people
the
will
withdrawal
suffer,
of the
my lord.
application, but that's all.
They will just file an application with a condonation of delay, matter will not taken up, the poor people will suffer, my lord.
Matter is delayed or.
He can file, he
This
can,
is also there will be problem.
my lord, always,
Rather, what I say, because see, if it is adjudicated there, at least you'll get something.
my lord, now execution proceeding going on.
Before the state
He
commission.
can go anytime. He could have gone earlier, knowing fully well there is arbitration. They are playing with the poor people, my lord.
Delay I don't think there is.
No, my lord, actually,
ଲୋକ ଆଉ କହି
The state
ସେ ଯାହା
commission-
କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ମାସରେ 3 ଲକ୍ଷ ଲେଖା ସେ ବି ଦେବେନି।
nothing will be paid, my lord.
Who
In the
90-year-old
state commission-
people are suffering, my lord.
I understand.
In the
See, I have sympathy for them. Only thing is, the forum is. actually
That's
not
correct, my lord.
only thing.
And they made a wrong
Even I
statement
want
because
the
ED has
people should
attached
get
a
back their
account.
money.
We
I
are
have that.
unable to pay,
But because of
which
this
was
thing-
not a fact.
This is not actually, if they start doing this, everybody will start using this
Your
code as
lordship-
a recovery agent.
Your lordship
That is the problem.
tried to settle the matter from here itself. But it is not possible.
Not settling what to do.
Nothing can be done.
Because
Your lordship has nothing to do.
Because this,
So this particular forum is not the appropriate forum.
anyway. Not there. Yeah, because liberty outside the chill. Every alternative liberty. Stop. Next.
Item 11. Time, my lord.
11, what happened?
No, I want to take instruction. What is the total amount due against the petitioner, my lord?
Okay, land accounts for the petitioner. 11, item 11.
Yeah, I'm for the opposite party.
Okay. Opposite party, Mr. Mahapatra.
No, Amitabh Das,
Oh, sorry, Amitabh Das.
Paradip Port Trust.
ଓ ଆପଣ ସେତେବେଳେ appear କରିନଥିଲେ?
Sorry, my name.
ଆପଣ ଅଧା ଟାଇମରେ ଦେଖାଯିବ ନାହାନ୍ତି, ଯେତେବେଳେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଆସିଲା ବେଳେ ଆପଣ
I
ଦେଖାନ୍ତି।
missed the list, my lord. That's why I come to the house, my lord, to.
They are on the what do you say? They're on the teeth of demolition, and you are not cooperating.
No, Devon, it is not correct, my lord. Earlier, they have approached this court.
Demolition and eviction order. Let's do one thing. 17 as 17. In the meantime, there shall not be any coercive action against the petitioner.
Oblige.
Next.
Item 22. 22.
Is that entire matter where your lordship already delivered the judgment in that?
Same order I am passing.
That I am mentioned, but my humble submission with great respect. Can I have a glance?
How is your matter is different from those batch?
Exactly. I am coming only on 2 points. There is a specific order of this honorable court under Annexure 5 Miller.
What is the specific order?
This is kind of a glance to page 30.
What is the specific order? Tell me.
The order is that I am reading out this operating part. This will clarify. Further, it appears that the controversy is only with regard to the period of commencing from the 1/8/1983 to 31st March 1984, hardly 7 months. We therefore directed that the opposite party authorities shall do well to take into consideration all the facts and circumstances. And
what is that order? That order has no meaning. Do well to do this, consider.
Before that,
is there any order?
Before that para, in view of the clause 5, thereof which is quoted supra, we find that the decision dated 30th March 1995 under Annexure 8 taken into Alimco not to extend the benefit to the petitioner is not justified. Accordingly, we have no hesitation.
That is the view of an honorable judge. I have a different.
Simple. I am coming for a moment. So that order has been set aside.
That order.
Subsequently.
Now see one thing. I have given a detailed order, detailed explanation why I have dismissed it and why it cannot be implemented.
I bow down. Only on 2 points I want to highlight it.
Reflected on the submission.
Yeah, that is also I have quoted.
One thing has been left out with due respect, my lord. There it has been set aside. Subsequently, what they did under Annexure 6 at page 36, admittedly they have admitted the dues and also said by letter number such and such the details calculation of the financial implications in respect of each of the employees may be provided. That is the letter of theirs under Annexure 7, which has not been taken. Then Annexure 8, the details of calculation for payment.
Sir,
so that apart,
entire your argument can be, I can put it in 2 lines. When a company is taken over by another company, whatever your assets, liabilities, everything is taken over. Assets as well as liabilities.
Yes.
When assets and liabilities are taken over, so whatever taken over liability as per the agreement, there is an agreement.
yes, there is agreement.
So in accordance with that agreement, everything has been settled.
Yes.
And you cannot say, suppose, no, my previous employer had promised me to increase my salary from this to that. Now that promise has to be, that is not the way it has to be done.
With great respect, if at all that is a part of the agreement, and that apart, my lord, the division bench order.
There is no agreement.
The division bench order.
No.
Neither it has been assailed by my learned friend, nor it has been reviewed.
No, order chanantu. Mokte gote kotha kale. Apanka agreement re kouti seta lekha hoichi. I will go by agreement. The agreement is the Bible for me.
My lord, Annexure 4, exactly. Annexure 4, which has been set aside by the
agreement
set aside hela pore. Agreement re clause number 13, which is available at Annexure 4, that is this agreement shall apply to the permanent employees who are on the rolls of the company
on the date of agreement, but shall not cover the officers or administrative, managerial, and engineering cadres. Thus, in our opinion, the employees of NITA were not entitled for any benefit as applicable to the permanent and employees of the role of the corporation. That is the order which has been assailed by them, and this was set aside. And that order has never been reviewed, never been challenged.
Okay.
And apart from that,
Order.
in consequences thereof, my lord, they have also allowed that give me the details of the particular concern, they will be paid. That is the annexure 7 and 8. That is my humble submission to point out this step. Because I cannot be segregated like this, because it is in the itself, so far this agreement is concerned. That clause, I have been deprived of that, and that is only 4 months period.
You are only, I mean, you are not the only employee, I think.
No. I am not the only employee, man. And many of the employees in the meantime, most of the employees retired.
I know that,
Out of
sir.
them, many persons has
You may
expired
not
also,
been-
passed
you may
away.
not have gone there. I have been to Nirtar not less than 10 times. So I know the Nirtar and all, everything. I even know the people
The
there.
fact, for
And
this,
still I am against the
So,
Nirtar. I have
this
passed an order against them.
7 and 8, these annexer 2 annexers are of the letter of them, those who are prepared to pay the same and calculated the same. By OFA computation, if at all they are saying, I am entitled to get that bill. How can they say no to it?
Calculation and payment are two different things.
No,
Calculation.
my lords, calculation, that means it is a positive side. If at all they are intended to pay, then there is a question of calculation.
Court calculation.
And they have not challenged it also. Let my learned friend said that we have challenged it, we have reviewed it. No way. And this is the order of my lord, division bench. This is the order dated 2009, my lord. No, they have not reviewed it, they have not challenged it. Can they say?
Taken care in this judgment also.
That I have covered that. Anyway, you give your note. I'll pass a different order for you. Okay.
Deep blue line. By
By
Monday. Only highlighting these 2 points. I don't have any
We give-
other
give a note.
well, so far.
We also give.
And it is settled
Submission
position
is
that they
that
have.
absolutely.
Can they say that they have challenged it?
I will take care of his submission also. Why should you say my submission not taken care of?
No, that is not. It is my duty being the officer
No,
of the court. It
that's
has to
correct.
be highlighted.
That's correct. You give that, both of you give a written notice.
By Monday.
Monday.
Probably.
Next.
Item 39.
Initial petitioner was appointed as a DL rifle minor on DLR basis. On that, your lordship directed
39, no,
my
40,
lord,
39.
my lord. So some similarly situated employees who has been regularized. On last occasion, your lordship directed
Give me.
to bring that order. Hmm. Last paragraph, in obedience to the above orders of Hon'Ble High Court of Orissa, Sri Ganesh Chandra Pradhan, Delhi Wages Driving. Sadar Block, Mansur, Jigar. Number of DLR drivers have been regularized, my lord.
Similar order कर देते हो, अलग मन को ले कहीं छाड़ी भी.
Fine.
If these people have been regularized by virtue of this order. तो ताले आपण अपील ले गले ना बाबा. रिट अपील जाई थांते यदि आपण को हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर यदि पसंद लागिलानी अपील ले जाई थांते. Now the authority is now they have complied. Yes. सुबुची आवाज बढ़िया.
हाँ मुझे no, my lord, no advertisement, nothing.
I know everything, but
And Uma Devi, she has
rightly
quoted
or
Uma Devi.
wrongly, shunantu mo katha. Rightly, wrongly, this court has passed an order. Not me, of course. Not me.
Your lordship.
Anyways, it passed by this court, and the authority has complied the order. If the authority has complied the order, why this person will be excluded? That's what I'm asking. If you are
हमें तो
agreed
discrimination
by the
करिबे नहीं
order,
आउ.
if you are agreed by the order, you should have challenged before the appeal court.
That
You
is
have not
the-
done that. You have to comply.
That is
So,
the
with the similar, since the office of the collector, district magistrate, Baleswar, land custom petitioner has presented an order passed, order dated 21/3/2024, passed by the office of the district collector Office of the Collector and District Magistrate Baleswar, wherein in compliance with the order dated 8/3/2022 in writ petition C bracket OAC number 1385 लिख दो पूरा quote कर दो पूरा entire thing quote it
मालूम खाली मो कथा
क्या
लिखी
quote कर
देबे
दिया
मो कथा लिखी देबे
हाँ अपना कथा
जे एडवर्टाइजमेंट हेनी
ଆପଣ
नो प्रोसेस ऑफ लॉ
ମତେ ଗୋଟେ ରିଟ୍ ଅପିଲ କାଇଁ କହିଲେନି
ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟା ଠିକ କଥା
କାଇଁ କହିଲେନି
ସେଇଟା ଠିକ କହୁଛ
ତାମାନେ ଆପଣ ରିଟ୍ ଅପିଲ
ତାପରେ ମୋ ସବମିଶନ ଟା ଲେଖିକି ଏଇଟା ଲେଖି ଦଉ
So, Lord Council just state submit that.
The appointment is thoroughly illegal.
Lord Council was vehemently opposed.
As the appointment was illegal, as
Saying that since the appointment was illegal, as it was due to, as it was appointed due to by not following the by following the proper procedure of appointment. Hala, full stop. Hegala. Full stop. Since the opposite party has already complied with the order of the High Court and given and regularized some of the similarly placed staff.
ଗୋଟେ instruction ନେଇ ଆସିଥାନ୍ତି
କଣ
ୟା ଉପରେ କେମିତି କଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏ ମାନେ ସମାନ ସିଚୁଏଟେଡ କି ନାହିଁ ଦିଲେ ନୁହେଁ ଗୋଟେ instruction ପାଇଁ କହୁଛି
ଫ୍ରାଇଡେ ଲଗେଇବୁ
ଆଜି ଛାଡି ଦଉ
ଫ୍ରାଇଡେ ଲଗାନ୍ତୁ
ଫେର ରହିଯିବ
ରହିବ କୁଆଡେ ସାରଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଆଇଲେ ତ କଟିବ ଆଉ ରହିବ କୁଆଡେ
ଡେଟ୍ ଦେଲି ହେଲେ ରହିବ କେମିତି
ହଁ
ଆସିବ ନା
ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ ନ ନେଲେ ବୁଝିନୁ ମୋ କଥା
ଆପଣ
ପୁଣି ତୋରି ସାର ଆମ ବେକଟାକୁ ଧରିବେ
ସେ ଯେତେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେଲେ ବି ସେ
ସେଇଆ ହବ।
ରାଜି କରୁଛି ସେଟା ଏକା ହବ ଆଉ ଡ୍ରାଫ୍ଟ ବନେଇକି ରଖିଦେଇଛି
ସିଏ ଆଗକୁ କରିବେ ତାଙ୍କ ସାର ଆମ ବେକଟାକୁ ଧରିବେ
ଏଟା ଲେଖି ରଖିଦେଇଥ ଆଉ ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ବି ଚିପକେଇ ଦେଇଥ
ଆମକୁ କେମିତି ଛାଡିଦବୁ
since the petitioner has is similarly placed with the persons who have already been regularized by the department. Hence, the petitioner deserved to be considered on the same footing. So, at this juncture, Land Constable state 2 days time to take instruction. Okay, 2 days time granted. Release the matter on
Monday
Monday.
Monday छुट्टी हमारा ଅଛି
Okay, 10th कर दो 10th. Don't worry, I have put that. Don't worry. He will not get anything. Don't. For his satisfaction, let him. I कोई भी नहीं दिलाने time.
ଦେଲେନି
Item 44.
44.
Deceased policyholder, my lord.
As item 44, as item 44, I'm appearing for LIC. I've received Miller's instruction. I will put it in an affidavit and file it by Monday, by Friday, Miller's. Let it come up on Tuesday, Miller's. I've received the instruction.
Okay.
Tuesday, Miller's.
For LIC, Mr. Mohanty, 6 a few days time to file the affidavit. Let's the matter on 10th.
Grateful.
Next,
Item 46.
46.
Last occasion, your lordship had directed me relating to possession of the property, my lord. I have written a letter. Today also I have talked to the law officer. He is coming with the affidavit and also rejoinder affidavit. If your lordship grant me 7 days time, I will file it.
What is the matter?
Matter relating to maintainability of consumer complaints before the district forum filed by the auction purchaser.
Okay.
We have not been heard. If the letter
You are the auction purchaser? No.
I am the auction purchaser.
I am the auction purchaser.
You are the bank.
If the matter is remitted back,
Why have you not? If you have purchased, you have paid money, everything. Why have you not?
yes, the possession has been given as per instruction. I have to file it through affidavit also.
Okay, let him.
Because
No, my lord.
Okay, Lord Constable, the
Let me
the
submit, my
bank.
lord.
Let him
Let,
file an
let,
affidavit.
let me show their own document that which they have filed before this honorable court, my lord.
Let him file a detailed, clear affidavit so that I can pass order.
At page 23, my lord, order of the bank ombudsman.
Chad on the bank.
that is relating to registration.
Let him file, na.
That is relating to registration.
And
Let him file that. Lord Constable, the bank directed to file an affidavit regarding the
Regarding possession and also rejoinder.
possession and
Rejoinder affidavit.
rejoinder.
ସେ ଗୋଟେ counter ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତ rejoinder.
Counter 7 receive in the month of June. Month of June.
Affidavit, countering the counter affidavit.
Counter June
Rejoinder.
I said countering the counter affidavit. Is it not correct?
Fixed date.
Sometimes you have to play with the word also.
Okay.
My lord, may fixed date.
Yeah, I'm giving that. 11. File it.
आप 8 दिन खंड समय दो.
कितने समय लगा?
संबलपुर आसिबो 2 तारीख आज हला
12.
Entry model.
That is my objection, madam.
Entry model.
Because last time 2 months back they have taken. Just let me submit. Let me submit. Let me submit.
12 asiba matter entry model chille ki na how does it matter?
My lord, 2 months back, my lord has directed on the 3rd.
Interim order till 12.
On the 3rd July, my lord has directed them to take instruction.
Wait, let him take. Bank wala cha.
Bank wala jani ki se mane हरियाण करचंदी. They have taken money since 2000.
Why are you worried for cost लगा देगी? तेरी पैसा लगा दी. Why are you worried? Jadi if you are जाने के लिए they are delayed.
No.
I'll impose some cost that will be.
In my case, I will not knowing fully well. I will not.
Knowing fully they are doing it.
Will not be prejudice. Don't worry. You got money.
आपको सामना रेफरल लॉ ऑफिसर फोन कर.
Next.
से कल जानी कहला आज टाइम नहीं होता हमें दबुनी बोली आपन को कहला. That is the law officers ये.
Entry model.
Don't continue. Next.
47.
क्या कहते? 47.
47.
47 yes.
My lord, I am filing my counter.
अपन कुरुर बस बैंक भी अपन कितना बैंक टोटल
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମୋ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ର କେସ୍ କାଇଁ
ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଲି ସେଟା ମୁଁ କେତେଟା बैंक ଅଛି
ସି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲେ କି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କରୁଛି ବୋଲି ସେ ଆଣି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି
ଏ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ସେୟା ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ କୋଉଠି କିଏ ଅଛି ବେଳେ ବେଳେ କଣ ଆମେ
ନାଇଁ ଆମର ତ
ଖୋଜିବାକୁ ପଡେ କିଏ ଅଛି
my lord's direction they have noted
ଶୁଣ ନା ଲେଖା ବୈଶ୍ୟ बैंक ଲାଗିଲେ ତାର ଡକା ହେବ ନା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଲେଖା ସେଥିପାଇଁ for that purpose I am least bothered about how many cases it is good the more is merrier for you or merrier for me also. That is not the case. So what is the issue?
Kind of sacrifice. The legal layer of the guarantor. It's a prayer. Direction to the bank. First, they recover the amount from the loanee's property. Loanee's property number. Because the loanee's property is sufficient to.
You are the guarantor.
Guarantor dies.
So you, what is your
Guarantor
stand?
My lord, I have given a judgment also covering. This is a matter related to 13.2, 13.4 Surface Act. Today morning also, my lord has passed one matter.
No,
It is a surface matter.
13.2 has been issued.
13.2, 13.4, everything has been covered. So everything. My lord, not challenge.
Not for that purpose. Once 13.2 is issued, this matter.
Annexure 1 is 13.2.
This is the jurisdiction of this court goes. That's why. 13.2 is in the securitization matter. So once it is there.
that is my lord general rule. That is general rule. That
Now you are saying that you are the guarantor. And the property that is mortgaged, it will cover entire loan. That's what you are saying.
No need.
Entire loan of the loanee. So there is no need to attack on you.
Because the fact the guarantor is already there. I have no property. I have no matter involved in the livelihood of the guarantors.
So the loanee, what is the
my lord here.
Yes, what is the total amount of loan? Total amount of loan? Kete?
90 lakhs.
90 lakh. A property kete achi?
Property is that 2-story building askare. It achi. Property that. The property, the instrument they will put to auction the property. It is more than a crore money.
My lord, here my humble prayer will be there. Today morning also my lord passed here. Here the judgment is telling that
High Court entertaining petition without giving opportunity to bank contract maintainability question to be decided first. This is the
Have you filed a reply?
I filed with annexing this document, judgment.
You have filed or you will be filing?
Mine, I have already filed my lord. And the guarantor liabilities is equivalent to that way also I am filing a judgment. Then
Matthew, Casey
Huh.
Matthew, latest judgment has.
latest nahi, continuously judgment charge.
agar bhi achi
We are not proceeding against any personal. We are proceeding against the mortgage, which has been inherited by these children. We are proceeding. We will proceed.
the reply to this. You file it. You file the. You file it and you file and put that on judgment also in your reply. Well, file in your-
Can it be surfacey matter? My lord, with the due respect, my lord.
I know, sir.
But my lord, today morning, one matter has been, my lord, has disposed of.
I know,
That
but-
surfacey matter I am not.
File.
No, let him file anything.
Fast.
File, that I am no.
Monday, Tuesday. କଣ ଏଥିରେ
Dollar.
ଏଥିରେ ଅଛି କଣ ଏଥିରେ 2 ପେଜ ଫାଇଲ କରୁ ଲୋନି ଆସୁନ
Loni ଆସିବ ନ ଆସିବ।
ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛେ ଲୋନି କାଇଁ ଆସିବ ଲୋନି କୁ ନୋଟିସ କରାଯାଇଛି ସେ ପାଇନି ନୋଟିସ
They are having liabilities co-extensive. They are jointly severally liable. And ଜାଣିକି ନା ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଏକଥା କହିବେ ଆଉ ତାପରେ କଣ କହିବେ?
list the
We are proceeding against the mortgage, not personal.
Okay, 13 record 13 Friday 13 এটা ফাইল ହେଇଛି ସେ
ମୋ ଫାଇଲ ଦିଆ ହେଇଯାଇଛି
ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
କପି ଦିଆ ସରିଛି କପି ଦିଆଯାଇଛି
only till 13 sir after that I'll close it don't worry
law ପରେ ଆଉ କଣ
we'll see that law sir we'll see that we'll see that
Item 48.
48
Well, in this case, there is a noting that I have not served copy, but in fact, as per my lord's direction, I have already served copy on the same day, on second,
copy on
second 2nd August 2024.
State
my lord, already served, my lord. This is
State.
the, yes, my lord.
copy
2 extra copy already served. This is the my office copy,
what
my
is
lord.
what is that
Regarding settlement of land under section 8(1), my lord, I have applied
you
and
have applied the matter
yes.
is pending
yes, my lord, pending before the Tahsildar.
so you pursue that
I have pursued, but they are not responding, my lord, for last
Okay,
4 years, my lord.
Not to pursue the case before the settlement case number big
No, not settlement, my lord. This is a settlement under Prevention of Land Encroachment Act. I am residing over the land for the last,
तो कौन सी sir
my lord.
settlement case
Yes,
number
yes.
शिवा ना
Yes, my lord.
कितना number
Case number, my lord. A report of the RI is there under Annexure 4, my lord.
वो case number पता report बारे में
There is, my lord. That is
appeal.
Patu Singh number is Annexure 4. Mokuddamar number 1087, my lord.
Appeal number.
Not appeal. Settlement.
ଆପଣ appeal କୁ ଯିବେ 8A ରେ ଯିବେ ପା
No.
8A ରେ
settlement परा
Settlement under 8A.
ହଁ 8A ରେ ପା କହୁଛି
settlement 8
Yes, my lord.
हाँ
At page 17, my lord.
कितना number
1087
1087 of
2020 17, my lord.
2017
17 my lord.
and the said 17 ରୁ ପଡିଛି ଯେ ହେଇନି।
ପଡିକି ରହିଛି.
And
And the report is very much clear that I am a landless person.
Tahsildar
Yeah.
shall dispose of this said the aforesaid case within 3 months from the date of presentation of the order. Now any coercive action is there?
No course action. No course action.
Till that time there shall not be any possibility. It's not required.
But only my submission that no.
ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଲା ମାନେ ସେ ସେଠୁ ଏମିତି ହେଇଯିବ
ନାଇଁ no course action.
ଧକ୍କା ପାଇଁ ଆସିଥିଲେ ତ
ନାଇଁ ଧକ୍କା ନାଇଁ my lord. For the last so many years they are sitting over the matter.
ଧକ୍କା
ତାମାନେ ତ ଧକ୍କା
I have used the word dhakka for this.
ସେଇଟା ତ ଧକ୍କା
Only my limited player my lord. RI has already submitted the report.
ହେଲା ତ ଆଉ ସିଏ ତ ଶୁଣିବ
Under Annexure 4.
Next step. Dispose of.
Item 49.
Yes.
Please, man. Last occasion notice was issued upon the opposite party number 2.
Opposite party number 2.
3, madam.
Who is 3?
That is Star Insurance.
Star Insurance. Anybody appearing?
Deliver ହେଇଛି କି appear କରିନି?
Can I? You know anybody who is appearing for Star Appearance?
Star Insurance, sir, हमने.
Huh?
Susan Das, sir.
So why don't you give him a copy?
I will look into it.
You know him?
I know.
Okay. So what is the issue?
But the issue is regarding this very my claim has been rejected on the ground that I have suppressed the fact.
What is the fact?
The fact is that I have earlier disease was there for me and I have treated in that.
What is the disease?
The disease was relating to my heart. Subsequently, and only for 1 minute, I want to say that earlier, I have taken policy from Aditya Birla, and during that time, I had treated a heart conditions under that. Thereafter, I have ported my policy to Star Insurance, and thereafter 2 years, I have been treated under neurological issues. They are saying that you have suppressed the fact. My point is, IRDA guidelines are clearly there. You can clearly have access to the earlier diseases and any other services if I have availed from other policy, other insurer.
Please don't talk, sir. Please don't.
That is
Keep quiet.
That is the only my ground. So once IRDA made a functionary, it is in their website. You can simply get all other access that if there is any service I have availed from other policies or other insurer. So without going through that, they have simply rejected my claim saying that you have suppressed.
So pre-disease was known to the insurance company?
My submission is that it is there, it is known to them because IRDA.
You have disclosed that?
During the no matter.
Then how do they know that?
Because yes, that is the thing, madam. I have ported my policy from Aditya Birla to Star Insurance. IRDA website is there. IRDA given a.
So this is porting out.
Porting, yes, and IRDA clearly says once the policy is ported by a policy holder to new insurer.
Sir, please don't talk inside the courtroom. Please, pani diya. Go outside. Go. Please.
So the new insurer company can have each and every access to the earlier policy. If there is an insurer, if the insurer has provided any service to the policy holder, then all the access can be received by the new policy holder.
No, I'm not on that. The question is, was there any disclosure on your part to the insurance company stating that, okay, I have this disease?
Yes, madam.
Have you disclosed it?
As my policy was ported to them, I was under an expectation that all the
So
details
initially, when you took the policy from Aditya Birla,
yes, ma'am.
so Aditya Birla, before Aditya Birla company, did you disclose it?
Pardon?
Did you disclose that initially when you took the policy?
Yes, ma'am. Verbally, I have stated everything that I had all these diseases earlier.
Verbally, that was put in record?
No, that is not put in record. As in quotation, what happened, if I am having a portability from one insurer to
whatever there, it was ported.
Yes, all the records, earlier records also come to them. IRDA also having the website. They have received the premium for more
But
than
anyway,
2
let
years.
the other side come, otherwise how can you decide?
Yes.
You give a copy to the third counsel, the petitioner to serve a copy of the writ petition on Mr. What is your name?
Mukti Anuj Das.
No, your name.
Sushant Das.
Sushant Das. So Das versus Das. Okay. Sushant Das, who usually appears for Star Insurance. Star Insurance. Yeah. This is the matter. 18?
Short date.
18 is short date. Not very long. 18.
No.
You give it the copy, then he will take instruction.
Yes, madam. I'll soon after. Immediately I will.
Next.
Item 50.
50.
Last occasion, my lord directed to hand over the draft.
I
am handing over the draft.
Get the draft.
16,560. That,
criminal revision subject matter.
that was closed. My lord,
I'm closing it.
closing and set aside
Consider
the
the
order.
petition. Yeah, for the petitioner.
I'm for the petitioner.
Petitioner handed over a draft of rupees.
16,500. 580. My lord.
Copy ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ record ପାଇଁ
हम
ଦେଇଦେବେ
sanction दो.
copy ଦେଇଦେବେ
Yes, immediately look. As you go to now.
The draft of rupees 16,580. 580. 18 or 80?
80.
80. संख्या भी लिख दो वाला. To learn concept for the opposite party society. Opposite party society. And the as a full and final settlement.
Full and final.
What happened? The outstanding is 4 lakh something.
That is the check amount of 20.
So it is a criminal revision. Subject matter of the
Subject to check amount is 25,000. Due to the pendants of the proceeding, I paid the last amount.
Now
the sentence
now it is settled.
set aside. My lord.
Accordingly, the amount has been settled. Okay.
When settlement so far as the criminal revision is concerned. Settlement means he will take the plea that we have paid entire money of the society. Society outstanding is 4 lakh something.
We are not there. We are in a revision.
They have taken the advantage.
Not taking the advantage.
Just. So where is the order that let's quote that order? Where is the order?
My lord, that order dated 28/6/2024. 28/6/2024. Order number 9, my lord.
28/6.
9.
28/6.
Mile.
2023.
24.
24. Land concept of the petitioner, revisionist submits that the proceeding verdict CRL-REV number 281 of 2022 is confined only to degenerate check worth rupees 25,580. And he further submits that in the meantime, as per the order of the lower appellate court dated 18/11/2011, the revisionist has already deposited a sum of rupees 9,000. Hence the rest of the amount.
No, that 9.
Hence the order of this court dated 5/3/2024 may be modified to the has been modified to that extent. Accordingly, considering the paragraph 5 lakh. Allah, 5 lakh. So in such view of the matter, the amount of today the Land Council revisionist has handed over the draft of rupees 16,580 drawn on which bank?
State Bank of India.
Drawn on State Bank of India.
Dated 19/7/24.
Dated 19/7/2024. 2024. Accordingly, the revision application. How can you roll like
that order of the both courts
5/3.
both the courts. Is a confirming judgment in both the court and
accordingly the
order dated 12/12/18 passed by the Law and Trial Appellate Court and order dated
12/12/18 passed by the Learned Criminal Appeal by the Learned Appellate Court in Criminal Appeal number 53 of 2022 of 2014/2011.
Okay. And
also
order dated
13/3/2020 passed in ICC number 4000/2006 in TR number
323 of 2009. 323 of 2009.
323 of 2009. Is set aside.
My lord.
ଆଉ କିଛି ରହିଲା?
No, no,
Enter outstanding କହିଲା ମାନେ total 4 ଲକ୍ଷ
no, no, I am confident revision. I'm before my lord in the revision.
society ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇ ମାନେ ମତ କହିଲେ
That is now, that is not.
What is subject matter of this? My lord.
ବାକି କହିଲେ ସେ ଯେତିକି ନେଇ ସେତିକି recovery କରିଦବୁ
No, no, my lord, one more prayer, my lord. One miscase that was kindly see one flag E, my lord. Flag E,
Miscase.
454.
What is the miscase, sir?
That miscase for appropriate direction with a necessary direction to the opposite to the trial court. That is during the course of my release on bail, the appellate court directed to deposit 9,000 rupees. That
ମୁଁ ଆଉ କିଛି କରୁନି।
no, 9,000 I have deposited in the appellate court. 9,000 I have deposited in trial court. This 9,000 after direction of the appellate court that paid my lord.
କାଗଜରେ ଲେଖି ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଏତେ ବଡ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାଗଜରେ ଲେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଆରେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ତମେ
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାଗଜରେ ଲେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଦେଖେଇ ଦଉଛି ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ପ୍ଲିଜ
କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସେ ଇ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଇ ନାହିଁ ଏଠି। ଇ କୋଉଟା ଅଛି?
454 ନା ମିସ୍ଟେକ୍
ଇ କୋଉଠି କୋଉଠି?
ଫ୍ଲାଗ ଇ
କାହିଁ ନାହିଁ ଆମର?
ଅଛି ତ ନୋଟିଂ
ଫ୍ଲାଗ ଇ କାହିଁ?
ନା 4
ଓ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଇଟା ଓକେ accordingly लिखी देता land consequence petition also praises the interim application number so and so 454 wherein he prayed for direction to the learned judicial magistrate Balesar to adjust the deposited 9,000 along with accrued interest to compensation amount in compliance with the judgment courts below, judgment of courts below.
ନାଇଁ ହାଇଅର
25,000 ଚେକ୍ ବାଉନ୍ସ କଲା 9,000 ରହିଲା 16,580 ଆଉ ପଇସାଟା କୁଆଡେ ଯିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା?
ଆରେ
ସେ ନେଇ ପଳେଇବେ ବସଛନ୍ତି।
ଆରେ still misconception here not my lord can you see that paragraph 10
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏଥିରେ 9,000 ସେ ନେବ ଆପଣ 69,25 ହେଲାନି କି?
ନାଇଁ
ଚେକ୍ ବାଉନ୍ସ 16,580 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଲେ ଆଉ
ମୁଁ କଥା କହୁଛି 9,000 ମୁଁ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୋର୍ଟ ଦେଇଥିଲି paragraph 10 of the trial court
କାହାକୁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ? ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ।
ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଥିଲି
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
ଏ ଡିପୋଜିଟ ଆପିଲେଟ କୋର୍ଟରେ କଲି ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅପିଲ କଲି as per the direction of the court on depositing 9,000 I have released on bail. This is the order
extra 9,000.
Yes. You are confused. You are not reading the
right. 9,000 rupees bank. Rohan to sir. Learned counsel for the revisionist further submit that he had deposited rupees 9,000 before the appellate court while the bail was granted to the.
I have annexed that order. I started order
and that amount shall be released in his favor
along with the accrued interest.
Sir, seta nuhe apanakar.
ସେଟା ଆପଣ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୋର୍ଟ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ପାରା 10 ଲେଖା ଚାରି ଥର ଦେଇଛି
I was also under impression
IJHK ମୁଁ ଚାରି ଥର ମେନସନ ହେଇଛି ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ 10 ରେ ପଢୁନ ତମ ଆସିନା ସେଠୁ କଥା କହୁଛ ପଢ ବ୍ରିଫଟା ପଢି
don't confuse sir थोड़ा रहम करो मेरे पे I have my own limitation. Next
item 51.
51.
May I please your lordship, Lord, this pertains to a vacancy position of the Odisha Vigilance Board. In that case, your lordship pass an order and for compliance with the orders.
Ready dispose of our matter. Only
No, the petitioner given has been.
Madam copy.
Petitioner by party 2.
The petitioner given has been given.
Party promotion matter.
No, for mining corporation. My learned friend appears for Mr. Katakia, who appears for the mining corporations. Against whom the petitioner counsel, Mr. He has paid for that promotion. Yes, my lord, that grievance has been mitigated now.
That is our na.
Yes, my lordship may turn to that affidavit. Your lordship directed.
Last occasion.
That's a different matter,
department.
How to expedite the investigations? What are the vacancy
because they are taking so much time in completion of the this
vigilance case.
Not relating to their grievance.
That's why I wanted how many posts are lying vacant and by what time the government is going to fill up all those vacancies.
And,
so
before,
that it will take
and the lordship operating portion, the lordship ordered paragraph 3 notes. Paragraph 3, the operating portion, your lordship exactly wanted that what should be the right number of persons to be manned by the department so as to complete the investigation in time, and the statistical detail of such information, all this thing. Lordship, we turn to the relevant paragraph 6 notes. That I supported that exact position required.
Lord Counsel for the Vigilance, Standing Counsel for Vigilance, Mr. Das, submits that the Vigilance organization is headed by, in the Vigilance organization, the Deputy Superintendent of Police and Inspectors are authorized to investigate all the cases. And the present strength of DSP Vigilance is 59 as against the sanctioned strength of 62. Madam, after 3 vacancies.
Or with this vacancy process 3 only.
With vacancies of 3 posts. Similarly, in the rank of inspector, the present strength is 79 as against the sanctioned strength of 153. That is
the vacancy post is 74.
Vacancy post 74.
In
But still
total,
the other duties such as intelligence collection, detection of corrupt practices, secret verification, open inquiries, field visits, searches, and monitoring pay paragraph 6 to put.
and let's put on the last line now. Hence, if the current vacancy of 77 investigating officers is filled off, the vigilance organization would be a complete investigation, considerably more cases than the average ones. That's relevant.
In view of his submission,
the 3 vacancy occurred in the DSP cadres.
Home Secretary,
Home Secretary, Principal Secretary,
Principal Secretary Home is directed to pass on them.
To take steps.
Take immediate steps to fill up the 77 investing
one line, madam. 3 vacancy posts in the DSP cadres.
3 vacancy posts in DSP
and 74
officer post.
In the cadre of
fill up
the inspector.
And 77 investigating officer post in the rank of inspector be filled up at the earliest possible
with utmost promptitude.
With utmost promptitude, preferably within a period of 3 months from.
Greatly obliged.
And
your lordship turn to the next part. Lordship wanted that what should be stained, what the public prosecutor stained, my lords, to expedite the process of disposal of cases. Paragraph 7 speaks for that notes. Paragraph 7 says as much as with regard to prosecutor.
Further, the public, the cadre of public prosecutors in the vigilance court is also showing.
The data is at annexure 7 page, annexure B page 7. Page 7.
How many PP are required?
Yeah, lordship can page 7, annexure B. Lordship got it, notes? Well, that's public prosecutors, vacancy is 18.
Accordingly, 7 paragraph. Accordingly, the
8 vacancy in public prosecutors.
The total vacancy of 18 public prosecutor, additional public prosecutor 2, assistant public prosecutor 1 shall be filled up within
as expeditious as possible.
As expeditiously as possible.
Preferably
within period of 3 months.
Deeply.
So as to ensure proper investigation
and expediting the process of investigation.
Prosecution, the process of prosecution.
Deeply obliged.
And this will enable the vigilance department to work properly.
And my lord, that this order also gives much needed impetus with regard to expediting the process. And my lords, a copy may be given to my learned friend.
I'll just tomorrow.
Yes.
A copy of the order shall be shared with learned counsel of the state. So for the onward transmission to the secretary.
To the principal secretary.
Department of Home, Government of Orissa.
May I indicate, my lords, the vigilance organization also working under the GA department. Let both the copy.
GA and
Home.
Okay.
Deep
GA and Home.
Both
Department Secretary GA and Secretary.
This you'll also add the prepared
and also
principal secretaries.
Principal Secretary. Okay. Next.
I think the repetition disposal. Let's see. Well, I hope your lordship orders will provide definitely the much needed impetus, my lords, in expediting the process of
Trust
investigation.
that the concerned department shall take appropriate steps immediately so as to assuage the anxiety of this court.
Diplomas.
Next,
52.
52.
May I please?
You're not well. Sir, you are looking so smart, sir.
I think my left hand is also suffering from.
No, but it's,
Both of you
no,
suffering.
no, I only pray. It's a very small issue which your lordship told to file an affidavit that temporary employees no paisa ta taku daba pai. So that matter, your lordship, if my learned friend is not able to address it today, your lordship will keep it up for Thursday. We can.
Thursday.
17th or 18th?
That will be too far off. Because data 3 weeks when age of the time
Anyway, 17 कर दो छी 17 हाँ कितने डेरी हो
you also be keep it on 12 12 I get 12 भी हेलाड़ी 10 दिन
और ठीक है 12
my lords.
next
Item 53.
53
2 days time for filing written notes.
Huh?
2 days time for filing written note, man.
filing
Written notes. Written notes, man. Written notes.
written note पर time दरकार what
Lordship, I'm not prepared, so Lordship.
Judgment of Himagoli, Justice Code.
हाँ
Justice Code का judgment भी आपको देखी थी if you
होगा?
just come temporary employees ମାନଙ୍କର जो they shall not be discriminated discrimination ऊपर
for
in with regard to the employees temporary ad hoc employees and all should be given the
Nobody has been discriminated.
we'll see that on that day
Nobody has been discriminated.
Tomorrow I will find.
भाई written note of submission के लिए
Lordship,
time
I'm
क्यों मांग
not
रहे हैं
prepared for that.
हाँ
Lordship, I'm not prepared.
hard you are not prepared young counsel you are not prepared
Tomorrow, Lordship, I will.
young counsel would be our cautious our enthusiastic you are not doing that ठीक है कब when do you want
Tomorrow, Lordship.
tomorrow
Lordship.
tomorrow good tomorrow
filed. The opposite parties have already filed.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କଣ ହେଲା
For the opposite parties, I have already filed.
ଏଇଟା ସେ ଯୋଉ ଏଇଟା ସେ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ବାଲା
Yes.
University, Lordship.
ଆପଣ ତ ଦେବେ 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା
I have.
ପିଲାଙ୍କ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ଟାଇମଲି ବାହାର କରିବେନି ପଇସା ଦେବେନି କେମିତି ହବ
Lordship's order. I have filed today.
କୌଣସି ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି କୁ ଛାଡ଼ିବିନି ଯୋଉ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଏମିତି ଲେଟ୍ କଲା ପିଲାଙ୍କ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ବାହାର କରିବା ନା ସେ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି କଷ୍ଟ ପକେଇ ପକେଇ ପୁରା ହଇରାଣ କରିଦେବି
What I am stating
I am
is,
telling you clearly
I have filed the written note of argument today in court.
ठीक है ठीक ଅଛି you
Tomorrow.
file it
Tomorrow.
tomorrow
I have already filed.
you have done your role is over let him file only
Tomorrow, Lordship.
tomorrow ठीक next
Okay.
tomorrow day after कर दूँ
Day after tomorrow, Lordship.
day after okay next
Okay.
Item 54.
54
Your lordship.
what is the matter about
Matter is my lord, the certificate case number 36/90 was certificate case number 36/90 was initiated on basis of the report submitted by the Tahsildar calculating the penalty amount under section 4 of the OPL Act and directed to pay that amount, though the petition is not liable to pay the money.
you have any instruction
My lords, we have filed our counter, your lordship, already.
no but I couldn't get can you read
ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ କେସ୍ ଗୋଟେ 36/1990 ମୋ ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ ତିଆରି ହେଲା ସେଇଟା
କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ ଥିଲା?
ଏନକ୍ରୋଚମେଣ୍ଟ କେସରେ ଫାଇନ 4 ଧାରା ଅନୁସାରେ ମୋଠୁ ନେବା ପାଇଁକା ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ କଲେ ତହସିଲଦାର
କାଇଁ 4 ଧାରା 5 ଧାରା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମତେ କଣ ହେଲା କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ଟଙ୍କା ମୋଠୁ ପେନାଲ୍ଟି ନେବା ପାଇଁ
କଣ ପାଇଁ ପେନାଲ୍ଟି
ମୁଁ ମାଡି ବସିଥିଲି ସରକାରଙ୍କ ଜାଗା
ହଁ କୋଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଉ ସେଟା କହି ଏତେ ବୁଲି ଭାଙ୍ଗି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଜାଗା
ଏନକ୍ରୋଚ
ମାଡି ବସିଥିଲେ
ହଁ।
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ତ ପେନାଲ୍ଟି ଏଟା କହିବେ ତ ସିଧା।
ପେନାଲ୍ଟି ମାଗିଲେ
ହଁ ବାସ୍ ପେନାଲ୍ଟି ମାଗିଲେ ପଇସା ଦେଲେ ଆପଣ
ମୁଁ କିଛି ଦେଇଛି
କିଛି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାପରେ ଯେତିକି ଦେଇ ନ ପାରିଲି ସେଇଟା ପାଇଁକା ଗୋଟେ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ କେସ୍ ମୋ ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ ଇନିସିଏଟ କରିଦେଲେ
ଗଲେ ତାପରେ
ମୁଁ ହଜୁର ପାଖକୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲି ଯେ ମୁଁ ଗରିବ ଶ୍ରେଣୀର ଲୋକ ମୁଁ ପେନାଲ୍ଟି ଦେଇପାରିବି
ଆପଣ
ନାହିଁ
କଣ କରନ୍ତି
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଚାଷବାସ କରେ ମୋଲ ଲାଗେ
କୋଉଠି
ଏ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ଯିଏ ଡାକିଲା
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ କୋଉଠି ଏ ଜାଗାଟା କୋଉଠି
ଜାଗାଟା ହଉଛି ମହାକାଳପଡା କେନ୍ଦ୍ରାପଡା
କେନ୍ଦ୍ରାପଡା
ମହାକାଳପଡା
हाँ सर देखी चु केंद्रापड़ा आई एम द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफ केंद्रापड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट आई नो आई कीप ट्रैवलिंग सो सेतरे कोन हला आपण पैसा आधा दे पाले केस पेंडिंग अछि
केस पेंडिंग अछि मु देबी नै बा
कोन आछन एठी
मु आसी जे वेब करा जाऊ मु जति टंका देछि मते फेरी दिया जाऊ मु लैंडलेस पर्सन
आपण जगह आपण से जगहटा आपण नारे कर दिया
से नहीं से जगहटा मो नारे हिनी से ड्रॉप हो जाई प्रोसीडिंग हैज ऑलरेडी बीन
ड्रॉप माने
आज्ञा से जो एनक्रोचमेंट केस मु माडी बसतिल बोली सरकार जो कहले तहसीलदार कहले
माडी बस नथले
नै मु माडी बसतिल ना
It's vacated subsequently, Your Lordship. There are many petitioners, 95 or something.
97 petitioners.
So now it is 95,
97
97
persons. They are landless persons.
All Adivasis.
No, sir, landless so far as my learned senior submitting, that is not a correct submission because we have filed a report in which, although we have not filed a report for every single petitioner, but it clearly shows that some of the petitioners are not landless persons, in fact. But Milords, that's beyond the issue now.
Do one thing.
Lordship.
Emane samate kono laborer.
Laborer class, scheduled caste community or laborer class.
Mahakal pada.
Yeah.
95 loko.
Now 97, 97.
कोन बांग्लादेश रो आइला लोक
ना बांग्लादेश ने 87 मसिया रे कोठी बांग्लादेश
सेठी बांग्लादेश वाला बहुत अछन ना
एबे आछन आगु हम 87 मसिया
नहीं केंद्रापड़ा रे बांग्लादेशी भर्ती हिचंदी
एबे को आछन ए लास्ट 10 इयर्स
हां
मोर 87
अच्छा कैन यू डू वन थिंग
My lords.
योर तहसीलदार महाकाल पड़ा इज देयर
आगे
so let तहसीलदार महाकाल पड़ा file a report how many people are landless and they are occupying the land for the last how many years
since 87
कितने वर्ष हलानी सर
just something
87
नहीं ता आगु
87 से जन्म है ना तू
No.
हां से जन्म है ना तू
70
हां
1970
कितने वर्ष हलानी
एक्चुअली एनक्रोचमेंट केस बुक होईची ता पूर्वरु
सर केते वर्ष रहिले पचालाले कोन माने कोन कहउछन आपण केते वर्ष रहिलेनी तने हाउ मेनी इयर्स दे हैव स्टेड देयर
94 ले 6 ये 24
हां
30 35 वर्ष
हिसाब भी कर पड़ना
नहीं 94 रु 24
आपण मैथमेटिक्स पढिछन त
अल्प होईची
अल्प
मु एक्चुअली संस्कृत स्टूडेंट मु मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ने जा मेट्रिकुलेशन पर्यंत पढ़ाई देला
हां समस्त मैट्रिकुलेशन मैक्सिमम लोग मैट्रिकुलेशन जे साइंस में पढ़ती अलग कथा अदर मैक्सिमम लोग मैट्रिकुलेशन में पढ़िछन हला जे माने साइंस कॉमर्स पढ़ती है मैथमेटिक्स भी पढ़िछन तो आपण तो हिसाब के लगा दो कौन
हां हिसाब हला 6 वर्ष ये 24 वर्ष 30 वर्ष होजी अराउंड 30 टू 35 इयर्स
कितना
30 रु 35 वर्ष
87 हला ब्रा 87 हला 3 हला 390 13 ईयर 2000 हला हां प्लस 20 ईयर के हला 23 आ 4 37 वर्ष हला ठीक है हिसाब करछन केते समय लगुछन so 37 years they have been there so let him file a detailed report
Some of them have already vacated, Your Lordship. We have taken that averment and at page
jar landless jo mane achanti tankar report banao the Tahsildar Mahakal Pada is directed to prepare a list of landless people, landless SC ST, SC ST people belonging to the SC ST who are landless.
One order is there on 19/1994 where the learned Tahsildar says these petitioners are since landless persons under section 6 of the OPL Act clearly lays down that where encroachers are landless, no penalty shall be levied on them.
Mo jibbi separate but first let him I am on a different footing.
Yes,
I am on a different mu koi jodi landless logo tanga na re jodi possible settle kar diya jayega why should they be unnecessarily evicted? That's what I'm saying. If it is there is a land availability of land is there.
My lord.
And these people, and because the law says not that you are doing some favor or charity. If there is land available, so those land can be just registered in their name. The government can give patta to them. Government is doing that, na? Kalia Malia kya kya yojana hai sare bolta. So sare all yojanas are being given to people. So the government can think of giving them also. Why the poor people have been in position for the last 37 years? We will go there. Those who are, of course, haves, this should not be. Okay, you can do that. So list the matter on.
Well, some time may be granted.
Yeah, I'm giving some
97.
It takes time, I know. 22nd October.
My lord.
Okay.
My lord, interim order is there, maybe continue.
Interim order to continue. Next.
56.
56.
56, this is that matter also. I pay some time. That matter.
Sir, कितना time
check up? नहीं, time नहीं. Need to check up करेगा. मुड़ा each time making different allegations.
No, no.
I have to check up the entire list so that I can come fully prepared.
See, if a person appears in a paper, the paper, the maximum mark is 50 marks. Out of 50 marks, how can a person get 132 marks?
Can never be. So therefore, I have said you check up the entire, then come to the court. Therefore, because that was not his allegation initially. After filing my written note, he is making that allegation at present. So that I could not verify earlier. So now I say he is making each time, every time he is making different allegations. So you come prepared with every aspect so that I can make my submission. So I am making every.
So what do you want?
You also grant at least 2-3 weeks time that can come. Because a huge number and long back 2015 matter.
Let him find it.
2015 matter.
Let him find it.
Today he is coming with further allegation. So each time he is coming with a new plea, so how can I reply all those things?
Only my allegation is that.
Your allegation is 50 marks से 132 mark कैसे मिला? Right?
मैंने देखा.
हाँ. और फिर क्या? And that is the only ground you have.
No, my lord, there is other ground also. My first ground is that my first allegation is that in general studies there is full mark is 200.
वो तो पता है.
नहीं, to
That 100 marks. That was, but that is for everybody. So that's no quarrel on that issue. If it is for everybody, no quarrel.
No,
if it is for a
that
few
makes
people, that's
proposition different कर दो चीज़ ना हमें ये लड़सिन में क्या करें?
Let him file the reply.
Reply the instruction ना बात
Keep your gunpowder ready. इसके बाद फिर चलाना अपना गोली.
तांको initially case file करो से select तो है ना total much below. से कहले जो non joining vacancy जो मतलब ही परिवो let government accommodate me. तो non joining vacancy बिल्कुल select नहीं तो that was his prayer. And each time every time ground किसी नहीं. Merit किसी नहीं. Merit is much below.
नहीं episode भी नहीं. कैसे नहीं सुनी? थोड़ा की वो episode इधर serially वाले episode सुने वाले.
सीतारा reply नहीं किया.
Let him file the reply.
नहीं reply अपन से कि देना नहीं मतलब लेकिन अपन instruction. I will come with the instruction. You will see just urgent.
ये तापर भी देखो उसी ये लड़सी तो kindly goes to.
कौन आओ कौन?
Sir, ताकरी rule, OSSC rule. Rule 13 says the commission shall conduct the recruitment examination as per the syllabus and the pattern of examination as may be decided by them in consultation with the concerned administrative department of state government. However, while fixing of the marks of the oral test, interview or personal test, the commission and administrative department shall ensure that the marks allotted to such oral test or interview or personal test shall not exceed 12.2% of the total marks allotted. If they makes it 200 to 100, then the proportion also changes.
How it will change?
My lord.
मैडम गोटे दिन से इतने कथा मुझे जाए नहीं से रूल जाए घंटे में जाए. I am asking one discrimination ही था ता.
देखो जी सर discrimination तो देखो जी.
किसी discrimination नहीं 200 समझता तो पाए 200.
सर खाली सही टा 200 हेले ही जीवन.
हाँ फिर
200 टा 100 हे गेला आड़कू full mark आसीगला
नाइ सेटा wrong, you have not understood things.
इंग्लिश 50 ओडिया 50 जनरल स्टडीज 100
अरे मैडम जदि इंग्लिश 50 ओडिया 50 बाकी सब 100 200 मार्क दे हला सपोज कि 100 हला
टेकिंग इन
समस्त को 100 हला
समस्त को कि 100 हला
आ अपन let him fail am energy नष्ट करन you keep your energy
सर 5 मिनट
save your energy for the next day अपन आंसर तो रिप्लाई कर अपन जो दिन आसीबे से दिन पे एनर्जी रख
सर से फुल मार्क्स में 30 टा चेंज हे जो 24 पॉइंट
किछि ना से मते कहबे हला लेट दे
पिला मोर
ओ आधा आधा छोड़ी
20 रो अधिका
लेट हिम कम ना सेंती होइनी आपण जोडा देखले मते लागिला जोडा रॉन्ग थइली सेटा आ बाकी जोडा देखि सर
मोर देन 20
किछि नाइ ने बिल आउ किछि ग्राउंड एक्सेप्ट गोटे से ग्राउंड किछि नाइ आपण केस आपण केस रे केवल गोटे ग्राउंड ने से 50 ରୁ 100 तरह किन देले 112
गोटे
सेटा से गोटे से आ किछि नाइ
रखिचंदी 20 रो अबव जीवनी
30th.
List the matter on 18.
No, इसमें केवल 30th. 30th. मतलब 18
नाइ
अब बाहर हो जियो.
जोड़ी दिबे
बाहर को नहीं जियो. 30th रासो.
ठीक है टैबुलेशन शीट कॉपी टा दिस
How confidential document? How can I give it? Move समस्त no. How can I give it? No. I cannot.
Next.
कोड रो फाइल
ना कोड रो फाइल नहीं कोड रो ताको मांगी देली हम फेर देली देखि
नहीं सर अच्छी कोड डॉक्यूमेंट रो सही देखि
फेर जाईची फेर दे
ना देई हो से केम देई हो कॉन्फिडेंशियल कोटा देई हो समस्त अछि त आपन केम देबी
सब पिला राइट टू प्राइवेसी
हथियार मागुन देबे परमिशन को देबे
इट कैन नॉट बी शेयर्ड
सब
यदि चाहू जदि आरटीए रे मागु जो आरटीए रे देवार योग्य थिबो दे
30th.
30th.
Item 55 and appealing for the
55.
But in this case, you also just adding length from the respective parties, and you also directed to find the written information.
Give it.
Written also submission of theory because of the health condition of my parents.
Okay, ठीक है. 20
9th को रखिए.
9th
सकाळे मेंशन कर.
हां ठीक है.
Next.
Item 57.
57.
File ne or sipai dismiss etala without notice. What sipai OSCP ra sipai constable. But dismiss from service without notice. That dismissal order was challenged before the tribunal. Tribunal set aside the order directed to pay the consequential benefits. सब कर दो ता ऊपर से माने सब पेमेंट कर देले से एरियर सैलरी तांकर एसपी ऑर्डर कमांडेंट ऑर्डर पास कर देले एरियर सैलरी सिंस ही हैज नॉट वर्कड एरियर सैलरी पेमेंट करी होबनी दैट इज द केस
File is not with me, Your Lordship.
Okay, let him find it.
Let it come tomorrow or day after, Your Lordship.
List matter on 12.
My Lordship.
Next.
रिट नोटम से दिन दे दियो
58.
58, Your Lordship, the rejoinder has been filed, copy has not been served on.
Keep it. 25th. 25th.
My Lordship.
September.
59.
9.
See, one second, is conviction minor, and payment has already been made, minor. I have filed the affidavit minor. That is what
already filed the affidavit. Lawrence Senior already filed the with memo, my lord. Kindly peruse that memo. Already settled this matter, my lord. In the meantime, my lord. In the meantime, I have no instruction, my lord. I have communicated to the our party, my lord.
Are you first take instruction? नहीं तो बोलो ना हम settle करेंगे कोई बाबू client.
से डायरेक्शन कर इन पर्सन अपीयर करी से हम फोन टा जेतु से सेटल हे गेला परे तार फीस मागे दैट्स व्हाई से आउ फोन
आप मांगुचंदी से नहीं करते you are asking for high fee. He can't pay if he's a poor man.
double amount
6 lakhs of the affidavit taken 6 lakhs nahi affidavit already in the
affidavit ki file करছি तो client
lower court रे already Lawrence Senior
I filed the affidavit
ଆପଣ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 6 लाख डिपॉजिट कर दी
से
टोटल 6 लाख अछि तो अदर क्लोज
6,60,000
से इंस्ट्रक्शन हमको वे फोन टा उठेन टेक इट इंस्ट्रक्शन यू लॉस्ट बाय डायरेक्टेड
ऑर्डर 6 लाख अछि 6 लाख दे दी छी ना
ऑर्डर होची
3,40,000
से पेमेंट करती 6,60,000
नहीं एते जनरस कम
राज्य हेला कॉम्प्रोमाइज करे टोटल 10 लाख ये हेला
ताला से लोक के जाऊ नोटिस ता Let notice be issued to the petitioner by the registry.
Opposite.
Yes, sorry. By the opposite party by the registry for his personal presence before this court on 1st October. ହେଲା आसु से हिंदी झगड़ा लोग मानकर कंडीशन पर आउट देके फाइल कर दी तो बेस्ट
My lord, may I play 3rd October?
ओके 3rd October 60
Item 60.
Trial court record as well. Trial court record is not available, my lord, sort adjournment.
आछे
Notice.
Let LCR be called for. This is GMFC Kantamanji.
My lord.
ठीक है by the registry. List the matter on. Thirtieth.
Lord, ଦଶହରା ପରକୁ ଯାଉ
ଦଶହରା ପରେ ଓ ଫିସ୍ ଦବା ଆପଣ 22nd
obligation.
ଏତେ ଫିସ୍ ବି ନେବେନି ହେଲା ଘର ଦ୍ୱାରା ବିକିକି ଫିସ୍
Nice, no, my lord. No.
ରିଜନେବଲ